course.
భారత్ జీపీఎస్ ట్రాకర్కి ఫోన్ చేయండి. వచ్చి జీపీఎస్ ట్రాకర్ని ఫిక్స్ చేస్తారు. కేవలం 3,500 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರమే.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೇ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಕೆಲಸ ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಬಾಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಬಾಸ್.
You should check out Sandfay's wide range of intimate care products. They are totally worth it.
This is how fast YouTube is with Brave. Notice how there's no pre-roll ads? And here's how you can see how much time you save with Brave. Look, Chrome was great in 2008, but it's 2021. Join the 20 million people already using Brave. Experience a faster internet through Brave.
Revision of coordinate geometry. It will be at least 3 hours and I will be teaching you the most important topics, which is parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Got it? Very good. Mohit, the lecture notes will be provided to you at the end of today's class. By tonight, it will be shared to you in Telegram as well as in YouTube description. Okay? Very good. Hello, Sai Karthik. Welcome, man. Aditi, very good evening, Aditi. Nice to see you. Bembam, welcome, man. Very good evening. Preksha, fantastic. Kabil, of course I know you, man. Of course I know you. Clay Tsunami is also here. Raghunath, welcome. Tarun, Uma Venkatalakshmi, great. Vandavasu Lakshmi is also here. Rishabh is here. Fantastic. So people, let's get started. So many people are here who might be new to this channel. Many people in Catalysis do not know me. So let me introduce myself so that you guys know who I am and we will get to know each other and maybe it can lead to a fruitful relationship. Okay? So that is what I want. I want to guide you and be your mentor, not just for this exam, even for life, if you guys are connected with me. So people, my name is Shimon Joseph. I teach mathematics at Vedantu. So I teach maths for the 11th and 12th standard. So if you are preparing for JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, KVPY, VIT, SRM, BITSAT, then you are at the right place, my dear, because in this channel, we have 3 wonderful teachers. So it is not only math, you have physics, Shreyas sir, and you have chemistry, Wazim sir. All of us teach you all the 3 subjects. So you are in safe hands, don't worry. All of us have lots of experience and we have ourselves done great things. So when I was like you, I wrote KVPY, I cleared it. I was a state topper in JEE Mains and I was also able to clear JEE Advanced and that is why I did my BTech from IIT Madras. So that is my background. With that, people, let's get started. If you are new to this channel, you can follow me on Instagram. You can ask your queries, you can ask your doubts, or you can just be my friend so that we can connect anytime in life. Got it? So shall we get started? Everybody? Yes, Sai Karthik, absolutely, man. Boeing and Airbus are very, very common in IIT Madras internship place. Yes, yes. Lakshmi Jaiswal, welcome. Nikita, very nice to see you, Nikita. Welcome to this channel. Glad to have you here. Great. So let's get started, people. For those who want to know the schedule, let's take a moment. Let's take 1 minute to note down the schedule. Guys, it is very important. This is for you only, na? This is for you guys. It is a gift from VEnthuse for all of you guys. How many of you are excited looking at this particular schedule? How many of you are impressed by the wonderful schedule we have fixed for you? So today we are at last minute revision. Tomorrow I have a trigonometry revision and tomorrow night I'm going to keep a morale booster session. Morale booster means I'm going to keep a motivational session so that you guys get excited. You guys are pumped up for the last week of studies. Okay? So that is the morale booster session. Then you have calculus, vectors and 3D, integral calculus, mega mock test, last minute formula revision, and finally the sure short 60 questions. Our most famous session, we have saved it for the last. So all of it is for you guys. You have a very, very wonderful plan as far as your preparation is concerned with this channel. This is only for maths, okay? Apart from this, you have physics and chemistry as well. Wasim sir has a 5-hour marathon tomorrow. Wasim sir has a 5-hour marathon tomorrow. I hope you are aware of it. From morning 9 o'clock till afternoon 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock he might take. So do support him so that he feels loved. He feels that you guys are very serious about preparing. Don't miss it out, okay? It's for you guys. Great. So now people, for those who are new to this channel, if you are looking for JEE content, you are at the right place. We teach in English. So this channel is called We Enthuse. What does enthuse mean? Enthuse means to get you guys excited, to motivate you and to make you guys achieve things on your own because you guys are capable. You guys are smart. All you need is just a push, just some motivation from teachers, and that is what we at this channel do. So if you want to have such great teachers, then do subscribe. Make sure you follow us regularly, okay? And if you really love it, do spread the word. Let your friends also know. Let your juniors know. And finally, give a like as well. Okay, so people, yes, let's get started. Can a dropper apply for KVPY? No, Kavin, it is not allowed for droppers. Only those who are writing 11th and 12th standard can write KVPY. Got it? Yes, Harsha, we'll get started. So people, we have some great results in Vedantu. So Vedantu is one of the best online institutes where you get guaranteed results. So you see people from Rajasthan, Bangalore, Gujarat, almost every state in the country has a topper from Vedantu. So if you guys also want to be here, be the topper of your particular region, your particular state, you have one final opportunity. The crash course is right now going on in Vedantu. If you want one final push to your score, people have improved from 20 percentile to 90 percentile. 20 to 90. Is that jump even possible? Can you even think about that? But people have done it. So why can't you? Why can't you? So if you need some last minute help, of course we are there in YouTube. We teach for free. But if you want something more intense, with test series, with assignments, with regular classes, where we teach you the most important concepts alone in a beautiful manner through experienced teachers, The teachers who are there in the crash course are all very experienced. 10 years, 15 years of live. Okay, great. So, people, shall we move forward? Yes? Let's get started. Perfect. So here we go. The very first one. Shall we start off with parabola? Show me your excitement, people. Let me know with a thumbs up, with a yo, with a fire in the chat. Murlidhar, welcome man. Shweta is excited. Yes, Kabil, I'm not going to answer because today we have a huge topic to complete. We have almost parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. We have 90 slides to cover, 90 slides. So that is my personal best. I have never done that. So let's see how much we can do, how much you guys can learn. So here we go. The very first thing which I want to teach you is the basics of parabola. So first of all, guys, parabola is a conic section. Okay, parabola is a conic section. So all the equation of conic sections will fall into this general category. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this is the general equation of a conic section. And whenever you have a conic section, in the last class, I taught you something very interesting. What is that? Your discriminant. Your discriminant is nothing but, my dear boys and girls, it is abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square. Okay, so this is your discriminant. If your discriminant is not 0, that means it is a conic section. It is not a pair of straight lines. So it will be conic section. So, but what conic section? When it will be a parabola? It will be a parabola when h square is equal to ab. So for parabola, these are the two conditions. H square equal to ab and delta not equal to 0. Are you all cool with this? This is the first thing which I want to teach you. So for a parabola, h square equal to ab, delta not equal to 0, over, katam, done. That's the only thing you have to remember here. You need to know what is delta. You need to know the general form of second degree equation in x and y. And you need to know when it will represent a parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Done? Okay, next one. Now, the next basic definition of a parabola. Basic definition. What is the basic definition? Everybody knows parabola right from your 11th standard. Okay. From your 11th standard, you know what is your parabola. Is that correct? Because when you studied quadratic graph, your teacher would have told you, any quadratic graph, if A is positive, it is an upward opening parabola. If A is negative, it will be a downward opening parabola. So that is how you might have heard of the word parabola, or you might have seen it in physics. Parabolic mirrors, solar cookers, solar heaters, everything works on the principle of parabolic mirrors. Why? Because parabolic mirrors can focus light on a very concentrated point. Got it? So, but now I want to take you in a mathematical way. I want to teach you something good. But before that, Sarath asked a very good question. Sarath is asking, sir, delta is very difficult to mug up, sir. Can I have a shortcut? Yes, my dear. I will teach you a shortcut which works for me. I only made the shortcut. I think some people might be using it. But I don't know. It might sound very lame, but think about it and tell me if it is useful. So first, Sharath, I will remember these two things. Okay. So I will remember these two things. So ABC, FGH. Okay. So ABC plus 2FGH. I will remember that, Sharath. ABC, the first three product. Then the next three product, FGH. These are 6 terms, right? And then you have twice of it. Now, AF square. You see 2, right? So AF square. First. So it is minus of A first one here square minus second one product square. So BG square minus CH square. Okay. So that is how I remember it, Sharath. I hope it helped you. I hope it helped you. I don't know how good is this, but I just made it up myself. And I used to do this when I was a student. Okay. So I hope you guys are cool. Now, coming to the basic definition. Rohit, I'm not well for last 1-2 weeks, man. My throat and my head is right now rolling. So I think till August, I will not be able to reply, guys. Please wait. Don't feel bad. I know a lot of people are asking counseling questions. Which college to get? Which college to choose? Guys, I'll make a video on that. I'll make a video where everybody can come. You tell me what college you got. I will tell you what is my opinion. Is that okay? But not in this video, okay? Because guys, I'm already not doing well physically. So I'm just here because I know you don't have time. I know you don't have time. So that is why I came here even though I am not totally fine. Got it? So thank you for that. I hope you guys understand. But let's make the best use of today's class. I will teach you everything what is important. I'm going to be patient. Even if we go up to 12 o'clock, I don't mind. I will teach you whatever I have. But I want your love and support and I want your understanding because you guys make me happy and you guys are the reason why I'm doing this. Okay? So, perfect. So, Akash, don't worry, Akash. If you follow this lecture, I'm sure you will enjoy this. Okay? LLN Part 1 video is already there in the channel. Please watch it. Okay? Great. So, I hope, Sarath, you liked the shortcut. Now, what is the basic definition of a conic section? So, guys, whenever you have a conic section, you will have a line. This line is called as the directrix. This line is called as the directrix. And you always have a point. This point is called as the focus. So, any conic section that you study, you will have 2 points to remember. One is the focus, one is the line called as directrix. So the definition of parabola is the locus of all the points. Let's say there is a point P, X, Y, random point. This point is random moving point. Random moving point. Okay. So the definition of parabola is the distance of point from the focus and point from the line. Both are equal. So whenever PS is equal to PM, so this point is called as M. What is PM? PM is the perpendicular distance of the point from the directrix. The line is called as directrix. So if PM and PS are equal, then it represents a parabola. So that is why for a parabola, eccentricity equal to 1. Is that right, my dear boys and girls? Is that right? So this ratio PS by PM is called as E. Is that right, my dear boys and girls? I hope everybody is cool with that. Yes. So shall I move forward? Great, great. So now let's move forward. Let's try to look at the parabola which is important for us. Now I'm not teaching you the entire chapter because some of you might think, you might get the wrong idea. What? Sir is teaching us from the basics. No guys, your exam is in 4 days. Of course I can't teach you everything. But I will teach you something very, very crucial for your exam. Got it? Hello Nikhil Reddy, welcome man. Nice to see you here. Yes, definitely Akshita, that is what I'm trying to do here. I will teach you exactly what is required for your exam. So my dear boys, my dear girls, this is the most important parabola that you will have to remember. This is called as a standard parabola. Y square equal to 4ax. This is a very, very important one. 99% of the time you will get questions from here only. 99% you will get questions from this parabola only. Y square equal to 4ax. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to solve it. What are all the important things? So for this parabola, my dear boys and girls, the directrix is x plus a is equal to 0. The vertex is 0, 0. The focus is a, 0. Are you all aware of this? These things are aware. So shall I move forward? And latus rectum is equal to 4a. I hope everybody knows what is latus rectum. Latus rectum is a double ordinate. Double ordinate means what? Any line perpendicular to the axis is called as double ordinate. Any chord perpendicular to the axis. The chord perpendicular to the axis and passing through focus is called as latus rectum. Latus rectum is the chord which is perpendicular to the axis. This is the axis. This x-axis is the axis. Okay. And this is tangent at vertex. The y-axis is called as tangent at vertex. So this perpendicular to the axis passing through focus is called as latus rectum, and the length of latus rectum from here to here is equal to 4a. What is 4a? 4a is this term. Got it? Are you all happy with it? Everybody cool with it? Fantastic. So I hope you're all aware of it. Next, what are the important properties? The vertex is the midpoint of the foot of directrix and the focus. So vertex is the midpoint of foot of directrix and the focus, because this is also a in length, that is also a in length. Are you all happy with it? Did you all like it? Shall I move forward? So these are all important properties. And you know what? Guys, these properties are very crucial. What is a focal chord? A focal chord is a chord which passes through focus. What is a chord? A chord is a line which connects 2 points on the curve. So a chord is nothing but, so you take 1 point here, you take 1 point here, random, you sleep and touch the curve and take 2 points and connect both of them. That is called as a chord. So this is called as a chord. But what is a focal chord? Focal chord means it is a chord which passes through the focus. So this is a focal chord. What is a latus rectum? Latus rectum is a chord which passes through focus in a perpendicular manner to the axis. So that is called latus rectum. It's a special chord. Got it? So shall I move forward? Hello, Praharsha, welcome. Kaushik, welcome. Nitish, thank you so much. Prakash Tiwari, I'm so happy you guys are enjoying it. So shall we move forward? Everybody cool with this? So now let me put to practice. Let's see if you guys actually understood it. Okay. So are you all aware of these 4 figures? So these are the 4 standard parabolas which you guys have to remember. Hello Vishnu, welcome. Heshwita, welcome Heshwita. Bhavana, welcome Bhavana, nice to see you. Hey there, welcome man. Kiran, welcome Kiran, so nice to see you back again. Charan is here. Sharath, fantastic. Great. You guys are aware of this? So this is what I told you just now. So you must be knowing this. So y square equal to 4x is rightward opening. Y square equal to minus 4x is leftward opening. X square equal to 4ay is upward opening. X square equal to minus 4ay is downward opening. Are you all clear with it? Provided a is positive. So in all the cases, a is positive. I hope you are aware of it. Got it? So that is how you need to understand. So guys, if I give you one of these parabolas, Sharath, you're not blocked, Sharath. I can see your messages. I don't know why. I'm so sorry that it happened. But please don't bother, man. I think sometimes moderators misunderstand. But don't worry about it. You can always come with another ID if that is not a big problem. Okay. I know it's not a good solution, but I hope you understand. At these last difficult days, you can try that. Okay. Hello, Praveen. Welcome. So people, so if I ask you, boys and girls, plot x square equal to 4ay, you should be able to do it. You should be able to do it. I hope you're aware of it because your exam is in 1 week. So all these, guys, are you cool with it? Do you remember how to plot them? Do you know how to get foot of directrix, vertex, focus, latus rectum? I hope everybody is cool with it. Great. Fantastic. So with that, people, let's get going. Okay. So the moderator blocked Shruti too. I'll ask the moderator maybe not to block. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry about it. Right now, I want everybody to focus. Please do not spam the chat. If you spam the chat, then they will block you because that is what moderators have been asked to do. Okay. So don't feel that moderators are simply blocking you. It is not like that. They block because you guys are spamming. So don't spam the chat. Message once, then after 2-3 minutes, again you message. I will see it and I'll reply to you. Got it? Welcome. So people, this is the entire thing. For all the 4 parabolas, I have given you what is vertex, what is focus, what is directrix, what is equation of axis, latus rectum, focal distance, parametric coordinates, parametric equations. Wonderful. Can you all take a screenshot and go through it later on? That is why I made this specifically for you. Isn't it very beautiful? So many good things you learn from here, nah? Did you all understand it? Everybody cool with it? So shall I move forward? So people, please check out this table, make a screenshot, and then we will move forward. Now apply this over here. I want you to apply whatever I taught you over here. In case you have any doubt, let me know. In case you have any doubt, let me know. I will help you out. Okay. So people, everybody try to solve it. Then we'll move forward. Boys and girls, I want 100% participation. I know you guys are capable of solving it and getting it correct. Very good, Tornado. So now use it over here. See, the vertex is at 1, 1 and the focus is at 3, 1. So first of all, what you do is you plot it on the XY plane. So this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. So where is 1, 1? 1, 1 is here. Where is 3, 1? 3, 1 is here. So can I say this is the axis? Because the line connecting your focus and vertex is your axis. Can I say that? Can I say that the line connecting your focus and your vertex is the axis. Very good. Very good. Very good. Let's check it. Harsha, that's not correct, Harsha. Heshwita is right. Kabil, very good, Kabil. Clay Tsunami, very good, Clay Tsunami. You guys are absolutely correct. Good job. Balaji, welcome, man. Very, very good, Balaji. You are right. Anushrut, very good, Anushrut. Par Karya, very good, Par. Sharat, Nancharla Kaushik, Prakash Tiwari is also right. Science Priya, you guys are amazing. Rishita, fantastic, Rishita. So now let's try to solve it. Chinnu the gamer, it will be given to you after the class, maybe tomorrow morning. So if you want to watch it and try to do it, please watch the lecture along with me so that we can solve it together. So people, what do? This is your vertex, 1, 1. This is your focus. Okay, this is your focus, let's say S. Now, how will the parabola look like? The parabola will look like this. Are you all clear? So it is similar to y square equal to 4ax. It is similar to y square equal to 4ax. Are you all clear? Now, this is 1, 1. This is 3, 1. So the distance between these two, is 2 units because 1 and 3, the distance between them is 2 units. So that distance is nothing but A. So A is equal to 2. Everybody cool with that? Because what is A? A is the distance between the vertex and the focus. So that is 2 units. So I will put A as 2. So it is of the form y square equal to 8x. But my dear people, the vertex is not at origin. Instead, it is at 1, 1. So I will write it as y minus 1 the whole square is equal to 8 into x minus 1. Beautiful. Did you all like it? I told you it is of the form y square equal to 8x, but y should become small y minus 1. Why? Because the vertex is not at origin, rather it is at 1, 1. Beautiful, very simple, nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. John Vincent, right now I'm not able to find time, man. So I will definitely get back to you maybe in a weekend, maybe this weekend or the next weekend, because this weekend we are all very occupied with JEE Mains test. I hope you will understand. Okay, Rishi, I'm not sure, Rishi. Right now, what I can guarantee you is if you work hard, if you make use of what I'm teaching, definitely you can improve, Rishi. Whether you improve to 90 or improve to 95, it is in your hands. Bismita, you're not blocked, Bismita, don't worry. You're not blocked. I can see your messages, okay? Exactly, Nagashiva. Nagashiva, you're absolutely right. Okay, so Rishi, if you really want to push it to 95 percentile, the crash course can help you a lot. And yes, our classes will also help you. But the thing is, you need to write test series, you need to keep improving your level. Spamming means typing the same message again and again. So typing the same message again and again is called spamming. And guys, I'll tell you as a teacher, that is very, very disturbing, guys. Okay, so that's very disturbing as a teacher. I am usually very cool, but sometimes I get annoyed seeing the messages again and again. I'm telling you truthfully, guys. Okay, I am actually very, very soft and I love interacting with students, but sometimes it disturbs me also. It's like seeing, it's like seeing Dhoni getting angry. There are very few things which can irritate Dhoni, right? So like that. Okay, I'm not comparing myself to Dhoni, but yeah, something similar to that. Got it? So people, crash course is valid until the end of JEE Mains. Until the end of both the JEE Mains. Okay? Until the end of both the JEE Mains. So people, let's go forward, guys. Let's move on to the next one. This is the next question I have for you. Shall we all try it together? My dear boys and girls. Very good, very good. So please try to solve it. Everybody, please give your fullest attempt and then we will move forward. Okay? And then we will move forward. Got it? So boys and girls, everybody give it a try and let me know if you have any doubt. Let me know if you have any doubt. I'll help you out. So already we have answers. Great. Rotation of axis is not needed, Sharat, but shifting of origin is very much important. What I did in the previous question, Sharat, that is nothing but shifting of axis. What I did in the previous question is nothing but shifting of axis. Okay. So everybody says option B. Okay, let me check it. I doubt it. Mohit, I don't think so. Anurag, no. Anushit, no. Ashish, no. It is not option B. Think about it. Think about it. Guys, it's a fantastic question. I don't want anybody going wrong. Okay. Very good, Clay Tsunami. Clay Tsunami, you are awesome. You are awesome. Very good, very good. Then we have answers from MR Abed. Abed, very good Abed. Nitish, very good Nitish. Cyrus, fantastic. Anushrut, you are amazing, man. That's absolutely right. Sharat, Shankaran, Pradeep, you guys are all absolutely correct. Okay. Very good. Rakesh, Ramu, ABCD, and all those who are answering in catalysis. Guys, I'm sorry I'm not able to respond to your chat because I'm following only Enthusca chat. Okay. So I hope you are answering. If you want to be a part of the live class, please come over to Enthuse if possible. Otherwise, if you answered A, kudos to you because you, my dear, have answered it correctly. Okay. So you can give yourself a round of applause. Bismita, Deepthi, very good. Atomic update, very good. So people, let me draw the figure, okay? So whenever you have a parabola, you will have something like this, okay? So let's say you have something like this. Let's say this is the vertex, this is the focus, and this is your directrix, okay? So this is called as the foot of directrix. They call it the foot of directrix on the axis. Foot of directrix. I hope you all remember these pronunciations, remember these technicalities, these terminologies, okay? So now the vertex is the midpoint. So here vertex is what? 1, 4 and this is 2, 6. So can I say the directrix, if I say is A, B, can I say the midpoint? Midpoint formula I'll apply. So I'll get A plus 2 by 2 is equal to 1. I'll get B plus 4 by 2 is equal to B plus 6 by 2, right? Is equal to 4. So I'll get A is equal to 0, B is equal to 2. So the foot of directrix is 0, 2. Are you all clear? 0, 2 is satisfied only by this equation. That itself tells you option A is correct. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? What about part 1? Cricket updates. Cricket updates, I already did it yesterday. Can you go check that video out? So part 1, if you want, you have to check out yesterday's video. I did straight lines and circles. Today I'm doing parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. I just started today's class. I started at 7:30. Okay, right now it's 8 o'clock. Fantastic. My voice is kind of different, is it? Great. I know, many people say that, man. Even Joker keeps saying that. Joker keeps saying that my voice sounds weird when you listen to me in normal speed. Great. Mohit, thank you so much, Mohit. Fantastic. So people, did you all like it? Shall I move forward? So now everybody will tell me, sir, you got foot of directrix, sir. You just guessed the value. But how to get the correct equation? So people, the directrix is perpendicular to the axis. And the axis slope, the slope of axis, my dear boys and girls, the slope of axis is the slope of the line joining vertex and focus. So it will be 6 minus 4 by 2 minus 1. So it will be 2. So the slope of axis, my dear boys and girls, is 2. So what is the slope of directrix? The slope of directrix will be minus 1 by 2. Are you clear with that? Why? Because axis and directrix are perpendicular to each other. Axis and directrix are perpendicular to each other. Are you all happy with it? Everybody, fantastic. Thank you, Anurag. That is so kind of you. That is so encouraging, guys. You guys are very sweet. And I'm so glad and grateful for all of you. Okay? Fantastic. So that's how you solve it. So now I got one slope. I got 1 point. What is the slope? I got slope as minus 1 by 2. And I got the point as 0, 2. Now you do y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So I'll get 2y minus 4 is equal to minus x. So I'll get x plus 2y is equal to 4. Did I get the correct full answer? Yes, I got the full answer. This is the right way. But in exam, will you do all this? Why? Why to be Harichandar? Okay, why to be a sincere guy and waste 20-30 seconds? Don't do that. Be a smart person. If only one option is satisfying, then click it and then move forward. There's no award. Oh, this boy is very sincere. Let him give him Bharat Ratna. Nobody is gonna care, okay? You just lost 30 seconds. So please don't do that. So let's go to the next question. So people, the next concept which I want to teach you is the equation of chord of a parabola. Okay, the next concept which I want to teach you is the chord of a parabola, I want to find out its equation. So I told you, right, when you have y square is equal to 4ax, any parametric point on it can be taken as at square comma 2at, any parametric point. So this is the parametric representation of a parabola. So what does it mean? It means that any point on the parabola can be represented in this format. So I'm going to take 2 points, okay? Because what is a chord? First of all, understand what is a chord. A chord is nothing but a line which joins 2 points on a parabola. Yes, Veera Nayak, it will help you for EM, CET and then BITSAT. All engineering exams, it will be useful. So definitely follow it. It will help you a lot. Got it? Great. Thank you, Mohit. So people, listen carefully. This is important. Hello, Priyanshi. Welcome. So a chord is nothing but a line joining 2 points. So let me take this as T1 and I'll take Q as AT2 square, comma 2AT2. So I want to find the equation of it. The equation of it will be what? Y minus Y1 by Y2 minus Y1 is equal to X minus X1 by X2 minus X1. So I'm not going to simplify that. If I was your 11th standard class teacher, I would have done that. But now let's just take the direct final expression. This is a final expression. Now, sir, should I mug this up? If you do it, then great. If you have RAM capacity, if your capacity is very good, if you have a big head, then maybe you can do that. But if not, at least remember this point. The slope of chord is equal to 2 by T1 plus T2. Okay, the slope of chord is nothing but 2 by T1 plus T2. Are you all cool with that? Yes? So that is what I want you to remember, because that, my dear friends, is very important. Okay, so now let's derive a condition. What is meant by focal chord? Focal chord means the chord must pass through the focus. What is focus? Focus is a comma 0. So I will put a in the place of x. I will put anda in the place of y. So anda into T1 plus T2 is anda is equal to 2 into a is 2a plus 2T1 T2. So 2a T1 T2. So a cancels. So I will get 2 cancels. So I will get minus 1 is equal to T1 T2. So this is a condition for a focal chord. So if you have the parameters, let's say T1 and T2, if they pass through the focus, then they have to satisfy this relation. Fantastic. Bhavan, please tell me, Bhavan, what is your doubt? I'll try to help you. Everybody, hello Maheshwaran. Fantastic, Maheshwaran. I'm glad you guys are enjoying these lectures. If you guys have any doubts, please feel free to let me know and I will try to clarify it for you. Okay. Any questions, my dear boys and girls? Shall we move forward? Are you all happy with it? Fantastico. Yes, Shivam Yadav. Tell me, Shivam, what is your doubt? Very good. Alvin, fantastic Alvin. Welcome to this channel. 0 is normal, anda is emotion. Exactly. Amardeep Yadav. Fantastic Amardeep. Equation of chord, same for circles also. No, Bhavan, this is only for parabola. Because T1 and T2 you have only for parabola. Now, why will you have that for circles? Okay, so T1 and T2 will have only for parabola. Is that clear? Let's go. KVPY, welcome KVPY. Rakesh, fantastic. Saurabh, yes Saurabh, do you have a doubt? If you have a doubt, let me know. Fantastic Shivam, I'm so happy you understood it. Great job. So with that, let's move to the next question. Harsha, fantastic. Thank you, Ruchita. I'm so happy to have you here, Ruchita. You guys make my day and I'm so glad to be here teaching you some high quality stuff. Fantastic. So let's go ahead, people. Let's put it to practice. Okay. Now, coming to length of focal chord. So now we know that if you have a parabola, let me give you a beautiful explanation here. Okay, so let's say you have a point P which is a T1 parameter, and let's say point Q you have T2 parameter. Now they are passing through the focus, so it's a focal chord. So my dear students, I want to know length of PQ. PQ length is kitna? How much? How much is that? So now I want to find that out. So how will I do that? I can use parameter. So I'll use AT1 square, comma 2AT1. This is a coordinate of P, and this will be AT2 square, comma 2AT2 is the coordinate of Q. But since it's a focal chord, we know T1, T2 is minus 1. So I can say T2 is equal to minus 1 by T1. So I can write this as A by T1 square, comma minus 2A by T1. So now use that and use distance formula. Distance formula is what? Square root of x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. 2a t1 plus 2a by t1 whole square. So if you do that, you will get this as the answer. This is the length of PQ. Please note it down. It's a very important formula, very useful. Very useful formula. Are you all cool with that, my dear boys and girls? In Balagan, exactly in Balagan. These are all very simple formulas. So now, exactly, Varun, you are absolutely right. You need to memorize this. The beauty of this class is I'll give you certain expressions which you guys have to memorize. Okay, and there's nothing wrong in memorizing, guys. Okay, don't feel bad. Don't think that you are doing a crime, because I know when I was a student, if I tell I mugged up something, all the classmates will look like I did some crime, like I murdered somebody. So that's how we are all used to, right? So don't feel bad for that. It is good if you remember stuff. Got it? Mihir, I just derived the length of focal chord Mihir. So focal chord means it is a line joining 2 points on the parabola which passes through the focus. That is a focal chord. So Mihir, I just want you to remember this expression. This is the length of focal chord which connects 2 points with parameter t and minus 1 by t. That's it. Which connects 2 points, parameter t and minus 1 by t. That's it. As simple as that. Okay, great. So people, now I have a beautiful relationship here. Did you all like that? They can ask you as a 1 mark question. The length of focal chord is always greater than or equal to the latus rectum. How, sir? The reason is because, my dear boys and girls, t plus 1 by t by arithmetic AMGM inequality, t plus 1 by t by 2 is greater than or equal to arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. So can I say it is greater than or equal to square root of t1 into 1 by t1? So can I say t1 plus 1 by t1 is greater than or equal to 2? So the minimum value of this is a into 2 square. So that is 4a. So that is the minimum value. So the minimum value of PQ is equal to 4a, which is equal to latus rectum. So that is the minimum value of PQ. That is what is written here. Did you love it? Did you love it? How did you guys enjoy it? Kulandai Teresai. So please check out the videos in this channel. It can help you a lot. Kulandai, like I told you, you can check out the videos in this channel. Maybe it will help you. Otherwise, you can take the crash course. They will boost your score in the last few minutes. Got it? Thank you, Parijat Thakur. That is so kind of you. So people, let's move forward. Let's put it to practice. This is a question which I will not solve. Rather, I will just give you the answer. Please tell me what is the answer, my dear boys and girls. Exactly, Sarath. Sarath, don't take notes right now. Right now, don't take notes. Rather, just listen to the class. After the class is over, maybe you can take down your notes. Okay. After the class is over, you can watch it fast at higher speed and then you can take down your notes. Okay. Great, great, great. Very good. Yes, I know, man. 2021 batch students are all working very hard, and that is why we are here for you. We are helping you a lot. Mokshit, that is not correct, Mokshit. Think about it. Preksha, very good, Preksha. Vikas, Mudavat, very good, Vikas. Heshvita, Bismita, you guys are right. Surya, check it, Surya, that is not correct. Pradeep is right. Preksha, Shivapriya, Priyal Singh, Science Priya, Veera Naik, very good, Veera. Chaitanya, Srichu, Gomadinathan, Aishwarya, Varun, Rockstar Raghav, you guys are brilliant. Okay. Rakesh, you are right, Rakesh. Very good, my dear students. Fantastic. The answer is 4a cosecant square alpha. Guys, I'm not going to solve it. Just remember it as a property. I have attached the solutions. You can find it in the session PDF. Okay. You can find it in the session PDF. This is a property. What is a property? So if you have a focal chord, let's say you have P, you have Q, and this is S. So if this angle is alpha, then the length of PQ, previously I gave you a formula. What is that? Previously I gave you a formula. What is that? A into T plus 1 by T whole square. Now there's one more formula. It says that the length of focal chord is 4a cosecant square alpha. So that is the length of focal chord provided alpha is known. What is alpha? Alpha is the angle which the focal chord makes with the positive x-axis. Is that cool with you? Are you all able to understand? Catalysis students are thinking it's a premiere. Guys, catalysis boys and girls, my lovely students, it is not premiere. I am live. I am right now teaching you as you are listening. Okay, I'll just drink water right now. Maybe that will prove you. Okay. So guys, I am live. So I'm just teaching on 2 channels and one video is just recorded in the same time and it is played over there. So we call it mirroring, right? Mirroring. So I am teaching on enthuse. The same video is playing on catalysis. Okay. So if you want to be in the live chat, come here to be enthuse. If you want to be in the live chat. Why? Because I have only 2 laptops. I told you. So I can right now offer only 2 laptops. So I'm using one laptop for playing in catalysis, one laptop for checking the chat of VEnthuse. Okay. Great. I want to drink water, man. I'm not proving. I want to drink water also. So guys, did you all like it? Only one student is watching in catalysis. Great. So I think people have come over here to enthuse. So thank you for being here, guys. And Bismita, thank you so much, Bismita. That means a lot. So people make a note of this, then we'll move forward. Tulasi, yes, Tulasi, I'll explain it again. Surya, I did not derive it, Surya. I just gave it to you as a result. Okay, this is a result which everybody should know. The derivation, I have attached it in the solution, Surya. I just feel it is pointless to do it. Okay, so it is pointless to do it. So that's why I'm not doing it. So I'll explain it again. How to do it in your exam. Okay, I'll teach you how to solve it in your exam. So people, Tulasi, listen carefully. Okay, and Srichu Creations, in our channel, physics teacher teaches in English. In our channel, physics teacher Shreyas Sir will teach you in English. So you can follow his videos. He is a very good teacher. Okay, so now I want to find out, Tulasi, what is the length of focal chord? So I want to find out the length of PQ is how much. So that is equal to direct formula. So previously I gave you a formula, na? I gave you a formula, previous slide. What is that formula? T into 1 plus T whole square. But now I don't know what is T, Tulasi. I don't know what is T. So I cannot use this formula. So what is the other formula? The other formula, which is a concept which you're supposed to know, Tulasi, is this one. The length of focal chord can also be written as 4a cosecant square alpha. What is alpha? Alpha is the angle which the focal chord makes with the positive x-axis. That's it. So you know alpha. You can find out the length of focal chord. Very simple. Very simple. Okay. So shall I move forward? Exactly. Very good, Vaishnavi. Exactly. Shreyas Sir is the physics teacher of this channel. So he teaches a toppers batch. So last year, me, Shreyas Sir were taking toppers batch. We have also taken Eklavya batch together. So very experienced faculty. You can make use of his lectures. Okay. Thank you, boys and girls. So with that, let's move forward. This is a derivation. So I'll give you 30 seconds. I'll give you 30 seconds. Maybe you can go through it and see what is here. And that will help you a lot. Okay. So maybe you guys can go through it and check it out. And maybe it can give you an idea of how to use it, where to use it. So Bhavan, yes Bhavan, it is a very frequently used formula. I don't know why you have not seen this, but I think it is useful, very important. Wasim Bhatt sir teaches chemistry, Mokshit. Okay, Wasim Bhatt sir is also an excellent teacher. I'm sure you guys love him. He has helped lot of students get into NEET, get into top colleges, AIMS and so on. Thank you Divya. Dunya, welcome. Nice to see you. Yes. Tulasi, it is not a fixed value, Tulasi. As alpha changes, the length will change. As alpha changes, the length will change. So it is dependent on alpha. Is that clear? Absolutely. Perumal, Wasim sir's voice is so deep, right? Yeah? Hello students, can you hear me? Hit the chat box. Hit the chat box. Give me a like, give me a like. Shall we move forward? Let's do one more question, shall we? Let's do one more question. Who is that? Give me a like in the chat box. So that's Wasim sir, man. I hope you guys liked it. Okay. So let's move forward, guys. Let's move forward. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so guys, this is what I'm going to do now. So we are going to look at the condition of tangency. Okay, we're going to look at the condition of tangency for parabola, the various parabolas. Okay, so this is how we go about it. So if you have y square equal to 4x, see, my dear students, this is what I will focus on. I don't care about the others. So this is what I will focus on. So if your memory is very low, like mine, then just mug up the first one. Okay. So if your memory is not great, then maybe you can just mug up the first one. But if you have amazing memory, then you can go for all the 4. Okay. So, but first one is more than enough. So whenever you have a parabola, y square equal to 4ax, the tangent equation for this in slope form is y equal to mx plus a by m. So this is the tangent equation. So this is a c, right? This is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is given by a by m. Can you see that? So I wrote c is equal to a by m. That's what they have given here. So I remember only this, but if you have good capacity, please remember everything. So shall we move forward? Everybody? Wasim sir will not sleep after watching this. Yeah. I had to go too base to reach his voice. It's too deep. So people, let's move forward. Let's go to the next question. So please try it out. It's a very good question. I hope everybody will solve it. Guys, come on. Let's solve it. Come back to the lecture, guys. Yes, Renovator. Absolutely Renovator. If you are joining pro subscription, it will be accessible until you write JEE Advance. Okay. So we will definitely give you access until the day you write JEE Advance. Got it? I know. Sarath, I watch his lectures, man. I have seen him. I know Wasim sir for 4 years. So I have known him for 4 years. Shreyas sir, I don't know. Wasim sir has a unique way. He repeats this dialogue often. Let's do one more question, shall we? Let's do one more question. Okay, so people, try to solve it, please. So what do we have here? So we have a line over here which touches the parabola here. Okay, so let's try to find out the value of k. So you have y square equal to kx. Okay, so this is going to be equal to 4a. Got it? So k is equal to 4a. Now this is equal to what? Y is equal to minus x plus 1. So now if it touches the parabola, then c is equal to a by m. So c is what? 1. So 1 is equal to a is what? 4a is k, na? 4a is k. So a is equal to k by 4. Guys, I'm doing it step by step, so listen carefully. So a is k by 4. M is what? M is minus 1. M is equal to minus 1. So if I put m as minus 1, I'll get k is equal to minus 4. So that's the answer. I hope you guys liked it. Beautiful question. Very good, Thomas Reddy. Bismita, you are right, Bismita. You guys are absolutely correct. All of you cool with it? Did you all like it, the way I solved it? Any questions, any doubts? Very good, Anshrut. Perumal, fantastic. Great, great, great. Fantastic. Very good people. So with that, people, let's move forward. Srichu, thank you so much. Very good, Ruchita. I hope you found out your mistake. That is very important. Maheshwaran, fantastic, Maheshwaran. You are all absolutely correct. The answer is option B. C equal to 1. Vishwa, this is C, na? So I took x that side, I took minus 1 that side. So when you take it, you'll get y is equal to minus x plus 1, na? So this is your C, right? This is your C. So C is equal to plus 1. Got it, Vishwa? Got it, Vishwa? Akhilan, today I did not bring any riddle, man. But don't worry, whenever the class is getting dull, I will try to talk to you guys. We can have some chit chat, then we'll move forward. Okay? Yes, these are all mains level questions, Harsha. I'm trying to revise the basics so that you can be able to crack questions when you get in your exam. Okay? So I will definitely take you forward to that level. Do not worry about it. I guarantee you that. I love Wasim Sir's accent. Yes, man. Wasim Sir's voice is very deep. It's very deep. If I have to imitate that, I have to talk, by taking air from my stomach, from everywhere. Okay, so yes. I know many people say that. So guys, these are the 3 equations of tangents. Okay, these are the 3 equations of tangents which you have. Let's go through one by one. Okay, so the first one is called as a point form. Okay, the first one is called as a point form. Let's have a look at it. Okay, so let us say you have x1 comma y1. Okay, great. Now I want to draw a tangent at this point. Okay, so how do I do that? I get the tangent equation by using this format. Okay, so it is called as t equal to 0. So the parabola is y square equal to 4ax. So how do I find t equal to 0? Y square will become y1 and 2x will become x plus x1. That's it. So this is the equation of that tangent. This is the equation of tangent. Are you all cool with it? Everybody? Is that fine, my dear boys and girls? All of you? Any questions, please feel free to ask. I will try to clarify it for you. But if you have any misconception, any doubts, let me know. I will clarify it for you. Okay? Is the test series available for 11th standard? Kevin, it is only for 12th standard students who are writing it this year, not for 11th. Mokshit, yes Mokshit, I will repeat it again. Please listen carefully. Okay. So Mokshit, if you have a point on the parabola, and if you want to draw a tangent at that point, and if you want the equation of that tangent, it is given by the first formula. Is that clear, Mohit? Very good. Parja Thakur, I'll help you, don't worry. I will definitely come back to that. Okay. Very good. Elks Gallery, welcome. Nice to see you. Pradeep, I hope your doubt is cleared. Shobana, welcome Shobana Shri. Vaibhav Singh, welcome. Dharmateja, first focus on your mistakes. Where you are losing marks, check that. Once you correct that, then you go forward to writing the exam again. Got it? Yes, Pranav. Pranav, this same video is being simulcasted. It is being telecasted in Catalysis channel also, because we want to help Catalysis students also. That is why we are playing it there, so that you guys have a very good access to these quality revision series. Got it? Perfect. So now this next one is parametric form. What is parametric form? Parametric form means instead of x1 and y1, we'll have at1 square comma 2at1. So that is called as parametric form. So in the place of y1, in the place of y1, I'll put 2a t1, and in the place of x1, I'll put a t1 square. So 2a will get cancelled. I'll get t1y is equal to x plus a t1 square. So is that correct? Is that what we have here? Did you all like it, my dear boys and girls? Yt is equal to x plus at square. Beautiful. Is that beautiful, my dear boys and girls? Harsha, if you want to improve to 150, focus on the easy kill topics, Harsha. There are many easy kill topics. I would recommend you to focus on them. They are the ones which can lead you to high scores. Okay. So I told you all the easy kill topics, right? So try to focus on that, Harsha. Very good, Sharath. Very good people. Amazing. Kavin, I'm not sure, Kavin. Please check it in the Google. So check it in Google. That would be better. Got it? Rakesh, I would say for now, it is going to be online only, man. In online, you can definitely go for Vedantu. But if you're looking for offline, I'm not sure, because right now there are various institutes and none of them, I would say, are very, very credible. Okay. So in that way, I would say go for Vedantu or some established place where you can get some good quality education. Got it? What is the difference between mx plus c and mx minus c? Siddheshwar, it is just that the y-intercept is different. So plus c means y-intercept is positive, assuming c is positive. Minus c means the y-intercept is negative, assuming c is positive. Got it? Great. Hello, Triambak. Kavin, it should be above 83 percentile. 80 percentile above for sure. 80 percentile above for sure. So, Sai Niklesh, I will teach you ellipse today. Don't worry. I will teach you all the chapters. I just want you guys to be here till the end so that you can make the best use of this lecture. So, guys, equation of tangent clear. All the three I have covered. So, shall I move forward to questions? Can you guys give me a thumbs up? Can you guys give me a yo quickly? Sir, make differential equation problems. JEE Mains level is different from NCERT. Yes, Pranav. Pranav, I am revising entire calculus on Thursday and Friday. So please be a part of this session. Thursday I'll do differential calculus and Friday I'll do integral calculus. Very good, boys and girls. So here we go. This is a question right now. Please try to solve it, my dear boys and girls. Come on. Let's see if you guys can solve it. Everybody go for it. If you have any doubt, let me know. I will definitely help you. Okay, are these useful for 2021 batch? Love Guru, it depends on what level you are. If you are 99 percentile, then it may not be useful because these are all basic things. But if you are 70 percentile, 80 percentile, 90 percentile, then these are very useful, man, of course. So when I wrote JEE Mains, I was one of the state toppers. I told you guys, right? So I got state rank 5. So in the end, what I was doing was, I was writing only mock test. And I ended up getting 99.95 percentile. Back in 2013, the first JEE Mains. The first JEE Mains. So I got 99.95 because I wrote a lot of mock test. I was well equipped. So it depends on what level you are. If you are at 99 percentile, then you don't have to watch this. No point. I would say go away. Go and practice mock test. But if you are 60s, 40, 50, 80, 70, 85, even 90, then this is important. Got it? Great. So people, let's try to solve it, guys. Everybody listen carefully. And people, one good way in which you can also get 99, 95 percentile is through test series. The Vedantu crash course has test series in it. The link is there in the description. It is just 4,000 rupees. It is just 4,000 rupees. If you are interested, check it out. Okay. So let's solve it, guys. The equation of tangent. Let's write the equation of tangent. Can I write it like this? Are you all okay with it? This is the equation of tangent. Now 4a is equal to 12. So if 4a is equal to 12, my dear boys and girls, I will get a is equal to 3. Isn't that right? So I will get a is equal to 3. So I will get y is equal to mx plus 3 by m. Now this passes through the point 2, 5. So I will get 5 is equal to 2m plus 3 by m. So what will I get from here? I'll get 2m square plus 3 is equal to 5m. So I'll get 2m square minus 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. So you'll get m is equal to what? Any idea, boys and girls? I'll get m is equal to 2 and 1 by 2, right? Is that right? Can you check it? What are the values of m that I'll get? Everybody please try to solve it. 1 and 3 by 2. Okay, great. Thank you for that. So it's going to be minus 1 and 3 by 2. That's perfect. Yeah? Is it minus 1 and 3 by 2? It's 1 and 3 by 2. How is 1 and 3 by 2, man? Because the summation will not come out to be 5 by 2. Okay, let me solve it. Okay, m is equal to 1 plus 1 and 3 by 2. Yeah, that's correct. So now you can solve it, guys. Plus 1 and 3 by 2. It won't be minus 1. It won't be minus 1. Okay. So now you can solve it. Put 1. If you put 1, what will you get? If you put 1, you will get y is equal to x plus 3. And that is already there. So C is the answer. That is how you do it. Are you all clear with it? Substitution also works. Yes, you can try that, but not always. But not always. Substitution, guys, JEE Mains though, they won't give like that. They are not that dumb, okay? They are not conducting the exam so that you can get free marks. These are all free marks, right? Nicely, they'll give you only one option which will satisfy the point. Don't dream. Don't dream about it, okay? Perfect. So, Chukka Hari Venkatesh. Hari Venkatesh, let me explain it to you again. Listen very, very carefully. I will teach you how to solve it, okay? So, you have a parabola. Let's say y square equal to 12x. Got it? Y square equal to 12x. Now, I want to find the tangent equation such that the tangent passes through 2, 5. What is tangent equation? Tangent equation is y equal to mx plus a by m. That is the equation of tangent. Okay. Now, this point will satisfy this equation. So, I will put 2 in the place of x and 5 in the place of y. So, I will get 5 is equal to 2m plus a by m. So, 2m plus a by m. What is a? We know 12 is 4a. So, a should be 3. So, get all of it. Solve this quadratic. You will get it. After you got m, plug the values back. You will get 2 lines. You will get 2 tangents because m can be 3 by 2 also. So, if m is 3 by 2, you will get 3 by 2x plus 2. That is also possible. So, this is one tangent equation. This is another tangent equation. Both these tangents are tangents to the parabola and both of them pass through this point. Got it? Did you like it, my dear boys and girls? Yes? If you get 60 marks, Harsha, you will get around 60 percentile or 70 percentile or even less than that. You will get 60 percentile, Harsha. Okay? One-shot trigonometry, Joker, it is difficult before first attempt. Maybe after first attempt, I'll do one-shot trigonometry. Okay? Saman Vita Taluri. Welcome, Saman Vita Taluri. Nice to see you. Fantastic people. So, let's move forward. Okay? Sherlyn, I would say watch all our lectures. Watch them faster. Watch them faster. Okay? And maybe use test series. So, that is a test series going on in Vedantu. If you want teaching also, you can take the crash course. The crash course will be just 4,000 rupees if you are interested, Sherlyn. But do it fast, Sherlyn, because 15 percentile in maths is very low. 15 percentile is very low. You need to at least get 30-40 marks. And it is very easy to get 30-40 marks, Sherlyn, I'm telling you. Just invest a little bit of energy, little bit of time, you will get it, okay? So let's move forward, guys. Moving on. These are some points to remember. Can you all please make a note of it? I will explain it to you. First, make a note of it. Everybody. Crash course is up to advanced. No, Kavin. It will be up to your last attempt. So, we will support you till the end of next attempt. Till the end of next attempt, we will support you. That is what we have in the crash course. Physics is tough. Physics, practice, man. See, physics and maths, so practice. Solve. Write many questions. Write many question papers. That is what will take you higher. 100 marks will be around, let's say, 85 percentile or 90 percentile. Okay, 85 to 90. 180 will be 98 percentile. 180 will be 96 to 98 percentile. Okay, great. So people, let me explain this. First of all, now let's say you have two tangents. Let's say you have tangent at this point P. Let me draw it correctly. Let's say you have a parabola like this. So you have a tangent at this point P and you have tangent at this point Q. Okay. So this is point Q, let's say. So this is point P. So point P is AT1 square, comma 2AT1, and point Q is AT2 square, comma 2AT2. So if I have tangents at these 2 points, the place where they intersect will be given as A into T1 T2, comma A T1 plus T2. Please make a note of that, guys. Very important formula. This is called as the point of intersection of tangents drawn at P and drawn at Q. Make a note of it. Very important property. Very important property. Very good, Simon, Satyajit. I wish you do that. I wish you score very well in your exam. Jian Jiji, welcome. Sarat, just make a note of it, Sarat. It is not very tough to understand. It is very self-explanatory. I've just drawn the figure. Make a note of it. You should be able to get it. Okay. So people, shall we move forward? Everybody? Yes, Manjunath, I will do that. Don't worry. Somashekar, welcome Somashekar. Hello Akanksha, welcome. Nice to see you. AM and GM. So guys, what is the AM of X coordinates? The AM of X coordinates. I'm sorry, GM of X coordinates. GM of X coordinate is square root of this into this. So AT1 square into AT2 square. So that is equal to AT1 T2. So the X coordinate of the point of intersection is the geometric mean of the X coordinate of these 2 points. Correct, na? X coordinate is the geometric mean of X coordinates of these 2 points. And the Y coordinate is the arithmetic mean of Y coordinates. What is arithmetic mean of 2AT1, 2AT2? So it is just addition of both of them divided by 2. That will be equal to T1 plus T2 times of A. So that is what I have. So the Y coordinate of the point of intersection is the arithmetic mean of the point Y coordinate of the 2 points. It is a simple trick to remember it. It is a simple trick to remember the first point. Okay. I hope you liked it. Did you all like it? Everybody? Great. Now second point. Second point is what? The tangent at any point on a parabola bisects the angle between focal distance as well as the perpendicular from the directrix. Very beautiful property. Usually it is used in JEE Advanced. I teach it in the toppers batch. But in case you guys are interested, I will let you know. Okay. So let's say you have this as the focus. Okay. And this is a point P. So this is called as a focal distance. PS is called focal distance. Focal radius or focal distance. Got it? Now PM is this one. PM is distance from directrix. So the tangent at point P will actually bisect these 2 angles. The tangent at point P will bisect the angle which is PM and PS. That angle is bisected by the tangent. That is what property number 2 says. Did you all like it? Everybody? Hello Siva Kashap. Thank you for coming, man. No, you're not late. You are a bit late, but it's okay. You can continue from here. Are you clear with this, guys? All of you? Did you all like the way I solved it? Any questions or any doubts that you have, please let me know. Okay. Devika? No, Devika, not based on your previous attempt. Maybe in the next attempt you can try well, Devika. Next attempt you can try to do well. Try to score about 90%, Devika. Make use of the crash course. Make use of the test series. It requires some hard work, some commitment and some investment, Deviksha. Okay. Devika, you need to put some effort, some investment from your side. You have to spend time. You have to solve test series. Only then it keeps improving, na? Sumit Tiwari, this is for 12th standard students who are writing JEE Mains this year. MSV, welcome MSV. Nice to see you. Great. Got it. Aditya Singh, you cannot take only for one subject, man. You can take only for all the 3 together because it's a monthly subscription, right? Great. So people, let's move forward. The last one is a very simple property, not very useful. Not very important, leave it. If you're not interested, leave it. It is not important. Okay, just for information. Now, shall we move forward? Will there be counseling videos on VNQs? Absolutely. I will create counseling videos because I know you guys want that badly. I know many students want that badly. Guys, this is a wonderful question. Please do it. Sir, please tell what 94% students should do in these last days. Write mock test, check your mistakes, work on your mistakes, work on your mistake concepts, get better at it, and write mock test again. So maybe write 2 mock tests in the next 6 days and work on your mistakes. Make sure February and March attempt all the papers you are solving Preksha. February and March attempt everything you need to solve. Write 2 mock tests, work on your mistakes, work on the concepts which you are weak at so that you can improve from 94 to 99. Got it? Great. Sharath, chemistry is boring. I know, man, but still, chemistry is scoring. Boring and scoring are rhyming. Okay, it is not a coincidence. Okay, it is actual truth. Even though it is boring, it is very scoring. So you have to study it no matter what. So please don't give up. Okay, great. So people, let's try to solve it. The answer is option B, I guess. Everybody says C. That is wrong, guys. Okay, so let me show you how it is done. First of all, what do we have? We have a tangent to the parabola at the vertex. So let me take our standard parabola because I am very good at that only. So this is our standard parabola. So this parabola is called as y square equal to 4ax. Okay, so this is the tangent at vertex. What is tangent at vertex? Tangent at vertex is y-axis. This is your tangent at vertex. Got it? Now, and tangent at any point P. Any point P. So let's say this is point P. The tangent at this point will meet the y-axis at this point. Okay, so this point, let's say, is at1 square, comma 2at1. And this is your focus. So focus is a comma 0. Got it? So what is Q? Q is what? Can you guys tell me? So tangent at P is what? Tangent at P, equation is what? Equation is yt1 is equal to x plus at1 square. So where does it meet the y-axis? That is only Q. So y-axis means x is 0. So y is equal to at1. So this point is 0 comma at1. So I know Q, I know P, I know S. So get SP, SQ, SA. SA is what? Vertex is A. So this distance is A, right? So SA is A. Already we know that. SA is A. SP is what? SP is nothing but this distance. We know SP is equal to PM. We know SP is equal to PM by definition of parabola. So SP is equal to PM is what? PM is nothing but this distance is A. This distance is at1 square. So it is A plus at1 square. So it is A into 1 plus t1 square. Is that right? So SP is A into 1 plus t1 square. Is that right? Now, what is SQ? SQ is equal to root of 0 minus a square, plus at1 minus 0 square, a square t1 square. So can I say, guys, SQ square is equal to SP into SA? This is equal to SQ square is equal to SP into SA. So they are all in geometric progression. That's how you solve it. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Anybody having a doubt here, please feel free to ask me. I will try to help you. But otherwise, we will move forward, my dear boys and girls. Shall we proceed? Anybody? Hemambika, I will share the session PDF tonight. And Guma Durga Prasad, I will share the session PDF tonight. Don't worry about it. Okay. So shall I move forward? Did you all enjoy it? Good question. Shrichu is saying, sir, a little bit confused. Shrichu, it is just a very simple, straightforward question. Okay. So let me first write down SP na Shrichu. SP is equal to, so first of all, I took P as what, Shrichu? I took P as a general point on the parabola. Because we are seeing y square equal to 4x. Is that correct, Shrichu? So what is the tangent at P? The tangent at P, I gave you formula na, Shrichu. What is that? Yt is equal to x plus at square. That is the tangent at P. So SP is what? For any point on the parabola, the distance from focus is equal to distance from directrix. Distance from directrix is what? A plus at square. So this is your SP. So now SA is what? Distance from focus to vertex. Focus is A comma 0. Vertex is anda comma anda. So what is SA? SA is equal to A. So I got SA, I got SP. Only SQ I have to find. Got it? Only SQ I have to find. How will I find SQ? SQ I'll find. For that I need what is Q. What is Q? Q is the point where the tangent at P meets the tangent at vertex. Tangent at vertex is y-axis. So I want to find where this tangent meets the y-axis. Y-axis means what? X is under. If X is under, Yt is equal to at square. So that means y is equal to at. So the point Q is 0 comma 80 and the point S is equal to A comma 0. So can you find SQ now? Can you find SQ now? Very easy, na? Distance formula. 2 points are there. You can find distance formula. What is that? Root of A square plus A square T square. Now multiply these two. If I multiply SP into SA, what will I get? What is SP into SA? SP into SA. SP is what? SP is nothing but A plus AT square. Into SA is what? SA is A. So you'll get A square plus A square T square. It is the square of this. So can I say it is equal to SQ square? So SP into SA is SQ square. SP into SA is SQ square. That means it's GP. That's how you solve it. Did you all like it? Everybody? Did you all understand this question? It was a beautiful one. I hope you guys are all able to follow. If you have no doubts, then we'll move forward. Very good, guys. Fantastic. Durga Prasad, I will share the PDF after today's class. After today's class. Okay? Don't worry about it. Very good, Horizon. Very good, Nitish. So people, with that, let's keep moving forward to the next one. Please try to solve it. This is a question based on common tangents. Common tangent. Somashekar, thank you so much. That means a lot to me. Yes, Sharath. It has been 1 hour, 20 minutes. Amazing, right? Time flies. Time flies. We have been enjoying the last 1.5 hours. So people, I hope you're all enjoying these lectures. Make use of it. So first of all, how do you find common tangent? See, for a circle and a parabola, first of all, a parabola, what is a tangent? Y is equal to mx plus a by m. So a over here is what? 4a is equal to 8a. So a is equal to 2, right? A is equal to 2a. Okay, let's keep it capital A. Okay, let's keep it capital A. So a is equal to 4a is equal to 8a. So a is equal to 2a. Is that correct? So here you have to put 2a by m. And for a circle, the tangent will be y equal to mx plus r into root of 1 plus m square. Okay. So now, what is the radius? The radius is root 2a. The radius is root 2a. So I can put that over here. So I can say root 2a into 1 plus m square is equal to 2a by m. That's it. Now you can solve for it and get the answer. So a and a will get cancelled. 2 and root 2 will get cancelled. So I'll get 1 plus m square is equal to 2 by m square. So I'll get m square is equal to 1. So m is equal to plus or minus 1. So m is equal to plus or minus 1. Substitute and get the answer. What will you get, guys? Can you all please check it? Are you all able to do that? See, this is the tangent equation for a circle. I hope you know that. Tangent equation for circle, tangent equation for parabola, both are same slope. Both are same slope. So common tangent means what? The same line should be the tangent for both of them. That means these two parts should also be equal. These two parts should also be equal. So 2a by m should be equal to r into root of 1 plus m square. That is what I have done. Are you all clear? Are you all clear with it? Ramu, fantastic. Bismita, Do you have any doubt, Bismita? Please tell me, I'll help you out. Guys, if you have any doubt, please feel free to tell me. Don't feel bad. I will definitely take all your doubts into account. Very good. So let's check it. Yes, Bismita, I will teach you. I'll teach you, don't worry. Okay. So Bismita, for a parabola, what is the equation of tangent? Y is equal to mx plus a by m. Okay. That's very simple. Now a for this parabola is actually 2a, Bismita. It is actually 2a because if you have y square equal to 4ax, then it will be y equal to mx plus a by m. But here I have 8ax, Bismita. 8ax means 2a. Correct, na? Got it? Is that clear, Bismita? Now, yesterday class, Bismita, I taught you that whenever you have a circle, x square plus y square equal to r square, then the tangent for it is given as y equal to mx plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. Is that correct, Bismita? Yesterday I taught you this. So I am just comparing it here. So here this is r square. Na? This is r square. So what is r, Bismita? R is equal to root 2a. So I'll put that here. Y is equal to mx plus or minus root 2a into root of 1 plus m square. Now common tangent means these two should be the same straight line. These two should be the same straight line. That means, Bismita, look at it carefully. This part is same y, mx, mx. Now, if they have to be the same straight line, this part should be equal to this part, Bismita. So, can I say that root 2a into root of 1 plus m square should be equal to 2a by m? That's what I did. A and a you can cancel, Bismita. And then solve it. As simple as that. Are you all happy with it? So root 2 also you can cancel. So you will get root of 1 plus m square is equal to root of 2 by m. Now square everywhere. If I square everywhere, I'll get 1 plus m square equal to 2 by m square. You can guess that m is equal to 1, right? M square should be equal to 1. If you put m square equal to 1, it satisfies. So m is equal to plus or minus 1. After that, it's a piece of cake. Did you like it? Shall I move forward? Coordinate geometry self-study, I would recommend SL Loney. SL Loney is good book. Sharath, you can just guess the value, Sharath. You can just guess the value or you can solve it also. What will you get, Sharath? You get 1 plus m square. Guys, come on, Sharath. These are all very simple things. You can do it on your own, man. You can do it on your own. Okay. Can this be 0? This cannot be 0. So only this can be 0. So if m square minus 1 is equal to 0, then m square is equal to 1. Then m is equal to plus or minus 1. Are you happy now? Everybody? Great. Okay. So with that, people, let's go forward. Let's go to the next one. Are you all ready? So this is the normals, guys. Please make a note of it. There is another Sharath also in the chart. Yes, man. We have two Sharath. One is Sharath and one is Sharath. Great to have both of you. So people, everybody try to solve it. If you have any questions, let me know. I will help you out. Okay? Atam, what is your doubt, man? Atam, if you have a doubt, let me know, Atam. I'll help you out. Okay? Sir, when do we need to solve black book? Raghu Raja, if you are preparing for JEE Advanced, you can solve black book. If you are preparing only for JEE Mains, black book is not needed. For Vedantu dropper, do we get Tattva material? Yes, Rakesh, dropper, you will get Tattva material couriered to your house, hard copy. But only if you join 1 year, Rakesh. 1 full year if you join, okay? Not for 1 month. Got it? So, Ruchita, my session on calculus is on Thursday and Friday. Thursday is differential calculus, Friday is integral calculus, okay? Great. Which is most important, sir? The most important one is the first one. Okay, the most important one is the first one. The other three, if you guys remember it, great. Otherwise, no problem. But I'm going to give you a question based on second one. I'm going to give you a question now based on second one. So please be ready. What will happen if t is equal to s1? Hayaking, t is equal to s1 is chord whose midpoint is given. T equal to s1 is the equation of a chord whose midpoint is given. It is not needed for JEE Mains, man. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It is not very essential. Okay. Thank you. Amazing adventure. Exactly. Spoiler alert. Okay. Hello, Ritesh. Welcome, Ritesh. Nice to see you. So people, try to solve this, everybody. All of you go through it and try to finish it off. Great. Everybody, please try to solve it and let me know. If you have a doubt, I'll clarify it for you. Now your voice is better. Yes, Kushal. Thank you, Kushal. My voice is much better now. Sharath, yes, Sharath, but yes, the JEE Mains results should come now. If results come, then you can join. Otherwise, how can you? Very good. Soundarya, that is for 3 normals to a parabola. That is for 3 normals to a parabola, okay? Great. From a point, if you want to draw 3 normals, then h should be greater than 2a. The x-coordinate of the point should be greater than 2a. Is that clear, Soundarya? Very good question. Prajesh, thank you so much, Prajesh. I'm so happy you are able to follow. Tech Radion. Yes, man. You are late by 1.5 hours. Okay. So, Ritesh, no Ritesh, I'm just completing parabola now. I think I'll complete parabola soon. So guys, this is the parabola. So the normal is what? Normal is y equal to mx plus 2am plus am cube. For what? For y square equal to minus 4ax. Okay, this is the normal equation. So here a is what? A is equal to 2 na? Because 4a is equal to 8. So a is equal to 2. So if I put that, I'll get what? Mx plus 4m plus 2m cube. Is that right? So now these two are the same. So what is m? M is equal to minus 2. Na? Y is equal to minus 2x minus lambda. So m is equal to minus 2. Minus lambda is equal to this part. 4m plus 2m cube. So it's equal to 4 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 cube. So that is equal to minus lambda. So minus will get cancelled. So you will get what? Lambda is equal to 8 plus, you will get what? 16, right? 24 is the answer. Is that correct, guys? B is the answer. Everybody? Sandeepta Ghosh. Yes, Sandeepta, did you like it? Ritesh, yes, if you are able to understand, you can continue. Try to follow it. You will be able to understand. Very good, MSV. MSV, you're awesome. That is absolutely correct. Yes, Raghu. After full syllabus, only you have to solve black book. Don't do it before that. Very good, Ruchita. Very good, Sandeepta. Very good, Dharmateja. Yes, Dharmateja, 97% will be below 30,000 for sure. Below 30,000 for sure. Great, great, great. No, Srichu, it is am cube. Y equal to mx plus 2am plus am cube. That's the formula. That is what you have to use. Okay. So guys, are you all ready? Shall I move forward? Very good, Balaji. Very good, Horizon Gaming. Fantastic. Nichal, what happened, Nichal? Adi, number 1. You are absolutely right, Adi. Bismita, you are right, Bismita. Satyam, what happened? Maheshwaran, welcome back. Prasad, for the 4 parabolas, not for 4 quadrants. There are 4 different types of parabola. Rightward opening, upward opening, leftward opening, downward opening. So those are the 4 types of parabolas, Prasad. Jaya, very good. Pradeep, very good. Adesh, Satyam, very good. You guys are legendary. Ritesh is also right. Great job, guys. Now let's move forward. Let's go ahead to the next one. So this is the equation of tangent for y square equal to 4ax. Equation of tangent I already gave. This is normals. Okay. So this is equation of normal, guys, not tangent. It is equation of normal, not tangent. It's a typing mistake. Please change it. It is equation of normals. So this is called as Cartesian form. This is called as parametric form. This is called as Cartesian form when you have x and y coordinates. This is called as parametric form. and the last one is called as slope form. The last one is called as slope form. Are you all cool with it? My dear boys and girls, did you all like it? So Cartesian form means what? So guys, it is not tangent, it is normal, okay? Equation of normal. So now let us say you have a point x1 comma y1. You want to draw a normal here. This is a normal. So you want to find the equation of this. So that is given by this formula. Very simple. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is m? M is the slope perpendicular to the tangent. So slope of tangent is what? Slope of tangent is 2a by y1. So slope of normal will be negative reciprocal of that. So that is what I have written. So this is the parametric form. So instead of x1 you put a t1 square, and instead of y1 you put 2a t1, you will get the second formula. The third formula I already showed you. Shall I move forward? Shall I move forward? Ritish, I told you na, the slope of tangent is 2a by y1. Normal slope is negative reciprocal na, Ritesh. That is why minus came. Is that cool? Very good, very good. How much percentile should we get to get below 1100 rank? Below 1100 means you have to be in 99.9 percentile. 99.9 percentile means 1000 below. Okay. So you need to get 99.9. Aim for that. Okay. So here we go. People, this is the question which I have for you. Please try to solve it, my dear boys and girls. In case you have a doubt, let me know. I will clarify it for you. Everybody please go for it, guys. Come on. All my lovely boys and girls, please try it out. If you have any questions to ask, let me know. I will try my best to give you a reasoning for that. Very good, very good. So, yes, Nikhilesh, we will start ellipse. Fantastic. 1 minute silence. Very good, Nitish. Thank you so much. Surya, we will check it, Surya. Very good, very good. Okay, so we want to find the equation of normal to the parabola which has tangent, which is parallel to this line. So if it parallel to the line means what? Y is equal to, so this is what? Y is equal to 2x minus 5 by 2. So the slope of this line is 2. That means the slope of normal is equal to 2 because our normal is parallel to this line. It is parallel to this line. So slope of normal is equal to 2. So I will get slope of normal is equal to 2. So what is the equation of normal to this parabola? Here 4a is equal to 4. So a is equal to 1. So if a is equal to 1, I'll get y is equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. So I'll get what? Y is equal to 2x minus 2 into a is 1. So 2 into m. M is what? 2. Minus what? Minus a into m cube. So I'll get y is equal to 2x minus 4 minus 8. So that will be equal to 2x minus 12. So y is equal to 2x minus 12 is the answer, which is option D. So all those who said option D, you guys were absolutely right. Science lover, you are right. Bismita, very good. Very good. Avilash, fantastic. Drishti, Binod. We have Binod here as well. Great. Kushal, very good Kushal. Satyam, Prajesh. Hello Sujit, welcome Sujit. MSV is also right. Very good MSV. Heshwita, Adesh, you have to check it Adesh. B is not the answer, D is the answer. Okay. Session will be up to 10. I don't think so. It will go beyond 10, 10:30. So I'll give you a break for some time. Don't worry. D for Delhi. Exactly. D for Delhi is the answer. Sujit, you are right, Sujit. Ashi Gupta, very good Ashi. Drishti Dixit, very good Drishti Dixit. Maha, very good Mahalakshmi. Akif, very good. Concept-based question, absolutely. Fantastic Punvita, you are amazing. So with that, here we go to the next one. So people, if a normal, very, very good points. Guys, these two are Wonderful property. What is that? Wonderful properties. So please make a note of it. Make a note of it, my dear boys and girls. Everybody, write it down. I'll explain it. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. And guys, all those who are watching in Catalysis, I hope you are enjoying the class. I'm sorry I could not respond to your chat. I wish you guys come to Enthuse, but otherwise don't worry. I will continue to help you in the coming days as well. I hope you are liking the lectures. Okay, so have fun, and in case you have any doubts, come over to Enthuse. You can ask your doubts and maybe we'll clear them for you. Okay, great. So people, did you all make a note of it? Did you all make a note of it? My dear boys and girls, shall I proceed? Everybody, great, very good. Akif says, sir, this is very difficult, sir. Dixit, thank you so much, Dixit. I'm glad you are enjoying it. We love students like all of you. Thank you for being here. Okay, so now let's see how to solve it. Okay, so let's say you have, let's say 2 points. Okay, so let's say you have a point P, T1, and you have a normal here. Now that meets the parabola again at Q. So when you draw the normal, listen, guys, this is very important. Hello Abhilash, welcome Abhilash, nice to see you here. Thank you so much Abhilash, that means a lot. So people, listen carefully. If you draw a normal at P, it will intersect the curve again at Q. Then what is the condition? So Q will have parameter T2. So that parameter can be found out as minus T1 minus 2 by T1. So the parameter of Q is equal to minus T1 minus 2 by T1, where T1 is the parameter of point P where the normal is drawn. Beautiful property. Beautiful property. Okay, are you all cool with it? Fantastic. Certified cool kid. Yes, you are a bit late, but don't worry, we have a long lecture, so you are arriving at the middle of the lecture, so don't worry. Okay, everybody glad with this? Everybody cool with this? Fantastic. Shreya Sparks, welcome Shreya. Punvita, thank you so much Punvita, that is so kind of you. Akif, welcome man. I'm so happy to have you here Akif. Now that is done. Second property. What is the second property? The second property is, let us say you have 2 points. Let's say you have T1 and you have T2. I'm drawing one normal here and I'm drawing another normal here. This point where these two normals meet, let's say this is P, this is Q, let's call this R. Okay, let's call this R. So I want to find where the normals at P and Q will meet. That is given by this formula. What is P? P is T1, Q is T2. So then R, the coordinates of R is given by this formula. Make a note of it. I'm not going to derive it, just memory. Formula, formula, formula. Okay, everybody please do it. Everybody make a note of it. It is very useful guys. This is even useful for the JEE advanced level. Okay, so I used to teach the toppers batch, the Ekalavya batch in Vedantu, and this can be helpful for even the toppers who are preparing for advance. Got it? Thank you Sandeepta. I'm so glad you're enjoying it Sandeepta. We'll use it now guys. Come on, let's use it. See, maths, learning is one thing, using it in questions is another thing. So let's learn both of them. That's when I am satisfied. Because a teacher's job is not just to teach, but also to ensure that you know how to apply. You know how to apply. Sharath, you remember it by constant practice. Okay. A T1 square plus T2 square plus T1 T2, comma minus A T1 T2 T1 plus T2. That's how you remember it. So I remember because I have practiced it so many times. Okay. So like that, I told you now, you try to remember it, make a rhyme around it. A into T1 square plus T2 square plus T1 T2 plus 2 and comma minus A T1 T2 into T1 plus T2. Like that you can memorize it. Okay. Whatever works for you. So guys, if you want to note down the formula, please note it down. I'll show you maybe if you want. This is the formula. A into T1 square. The way I remember it is like this. A into T1 square plus T2 square plus T1 T2 plus 2, comma, minus A T1 T2 into T1 plus T2. This is how I remember it. Okay, so whichever works for you, you do that. A into T1 square plus T2 square plus T1 T2 plus 2 minus A T1 T2 into T1 plus T2. Whatever works for you. Got it? Cool? Perfect. Now people, what is the answer for this one? Who is that? Sid. Sid is right. Very good, Sid. Sid, you are absolutely right. Burst Gamer, BGM. Battlegrounds, already you formed a team, huh? Next level, man. Hello, Harshavardhan. Welcome. Akif. No, Akif. Shiva is correct. Sharath is right. Punvita is right. Very good. Very good. Very good. Beats Eminem. Great. I was rapping the formula. So that is also a good thing, right? Good hobby. I'm sure Pahul Sir students will like it. Beatboxing. So whenever you want to remember a formula, try to create a rap around it. Hello Ritesh. Yes Ritesh, I do read your chats, man. Do you have completed the dinner, sir? Bhavan, I ate my dinner at 6:30. I had snacks. So right now I'll have just water and some fruits, maybe. Okay, so people, let's solve it, guys. Let's solve it. So what is this point? This point is, let's say, at square comma 2at. Is that right? at1 square comma 2at1. So what is a? 4a is equal to 4. So a is equal to 1. So the point P is t1 square comma 2t1. So 2t1 is 2. The y coordinate is 2, right? So can I say t1 is equal to 1? So t1 is equal to 1. So if the normal meets the parabola again at t2, then t2 is equal to what? Minus t1 minus 2 by t1. Just now I taught you. So it's what? Minus t1 minus 2 by t1. So it's going to be minus 3. So it's going to be minus 3. So t2 is minus 3. So if t2 is minus 3, what are the coordinates? The coordinates are a t2 square comma 2a t2. So a is 1, t2 square is minus 3 whole square, comma 2 into 1, a is 1, t2 is minus 3. So the answer is 9 comma minus 6. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Any questions, boys and girls? Please let me know. Everybody, hello Aditya, what happened, man? Shiva, that's correct, Shiva. You are absolutely right. Absolutely, Bhavan. Bhavan, did you like it? Akif is sleepy. Akif, yes, these are all very important stuff, man, for JEE Mains exam. Thank you, Dixit. I'm so happy. Kumar Rajamanikam, welcome. Rahul, thank you so much, Rahul. I'm so glad you're enjoying it. A is the answer. Yes, Bismita, you are correct. Uday, very, very good. Udi Upadhyay, welcome man, nice to see you here. Kabil, very good Kabil. Ashi Kumari, welcome Ashi. So people, shall I move forward? Are you all ready for the next one? Shall we proceed? Great. So last one is some cool properties of parabola, guys. The cool properties are directrix is the director circle. Directrix is the director circle for a parabola. What do you mean by this, sir? What do you mean by this? The meaning is, whenever you have two perpendicular tangents, to a parabola, if these two are perpendicular tangents, then the point of intersection will lie on the directrix. Two perpendicular tangents will always meet on the directrix. Is that clear, guys? I hope all of you are happy with it. Everybody? Did you all like it? Fantastic. Very good, Aditya. That's fantastic, Aditya. Thank you, Ritesh. That is so kind of you. Lingeshwaran, welcome, man. Ruchita, fantastic. Great, Ashi has got it. So this is the last property I wanted to teach you. So please make a note of it. So guys, with that, we will move to ellipse. So shall we take a break for some time? Director circle. Director circle is the locus of all the points. The locus of all the points where two perpendicular tangents to the parabola meet. Directrix is the locus of all the points where two perpendicular tangents to the parabola meet. Okay, so guys, break time. So right now it is 9:25. So shall we meet at 9:30? Okay, or 9:35. 9:35 p.m. Be back. Let me write it down. Be back by 9:35. Is that okay? Everybody, will you all be back by 9:35? I think that should be fine, right? So 10 minutes break. So please go check it out. Harihara Sudan joined the crash course. I hope you enjoyed it. Hariharan, make use of it. So guys, take a 10-minute break. I'll go refill my water. I'll go have some snacks and come. You also have some snacks. Guys, we'll go on till 10:30, 11. So make up your mind for it. Okay. So we'll have ellipse, we'll have hyperbola. We'll have to complete it somehow. Okay. So come back with a lot of energy. 9:40 is it? Okay. Let's make it 9:40 then. 9:40, not beyond that. Okay. So go have something and come back. Bye bye, guys. Take care. Come back at 9:40. Don't forget. Okay. Don't go and sleep. Chalo. Take care. Hello, people. Are you all here? Hello, Shruti. Welcome, Shruti. Nice to see you here. I'm glad to have you here, Shruti. Chinmaya is also here. Chinmaya, IISc, you have to get a top rank in JEE Advanced, or even in KVPY, you have to get a top rank. You will be eligible for getting into IISc. Bhumi Khatri is here. Very good, Bhumi. Jaya Krishna, Rahul, Shravya, Rihita, Shakti Priya is also here. Very good. Let's crack it. Awesome. Andaru Unnaru. Chala Santosham. Very good, very good. Great to see all of you here. Fantastic, guys. Unnara Lera Chapandi. Andaru Unnaru. All of them are here only, man. So let's get started. So people, now we will get moving to ellipse. I hope all of you are ready. So let's go forward. Parabola is finally over. We did it for 2 hours. Now let me go to ellipse finally. So Tamil la rendu vaartha ellaru irukingla adha na ketten Telugula. Okay. So people, let's get started. We will go to ellipse and we will look at it. So the basics of ellipse. First of all, so ellipse can also be represented by general equation of second degree. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay. And you can say that discriminant for ellipse is also same thing. ABC plus 2FGH. Sharath, I told you the method, right? AF square minus BG square minus CH square. This is discriminant, delta. So first of all, for an ellipse, primary condition is delta should not be 0. Secondary condition is H square should be less than AB. So these are the two conditions which will tell you that it is an ellipse. Are you all happy with it, my dear boys and girls? Are you all aware of it? Please make sure you guys note it down, very important. Hello Ronnie, I'm doing great Ronnie, thank you for asking. Sahitya, welcome Sahitya, nice to see you. How are you in Telugu? Bagunara. Is that correct? I think that's correct, right? Say session time. Srinivas Chari, I started at 7:30, it will go up to 11:30 minimum. I think I'll take up to 11:30 guys. After that I'll also be tired. I don't think I can take beyond 11:30. So 11:30, whatever it is, we'll put an end to it. Okay, 11:30 is the deadline. So let's try to complete it. Okay. Fantastic. So people, shall we move forward? Great. Now the next thing which I want to teach you is the basic definition. So again, ellipse is also a conic section. Conic section means what? It will follow the basic definition of conics, which is you'll have a line. This line is called as directrix. Okay, this line is called as directrix. So for ellipse also, you'll have a directrix and a point called as focus. A point called as focus. Now let's take any random point. Now for any conic section, the distance between PS and PM. So distance between the point and the directrix is PM. Distance between point and focus is PS. So PS by PM is always a constant E, and this E is called as eccentricity. For parabola, it was 1. For parabola, it was 1. For ellipse, E is less than 1. That's it. This is something which you have to know. Are you all cool with it? Everybody? Take Tamil. Tamil enna solano? Ella nalla irukingla? Saaptingla? Ready-a session ke? Onno 2 hour. Okay, so for 2 hours we will be staying. So please follow carefully, guys. Okay. Great. So people, shall we move forward? Did you have dinner? I had dinner at 6 o'clock, man. 6:30. Today I had very early dinner. So I'm trying to get better lifestyle wise. So I had it already. Great. Very good. So people, let's get going. So this is the standard ellipse which we will be seeing. So there are two standard ellipses. There are two standard ellipses which are very important. One is the horizontally elongated ellipse. So this is when your A is greater than B. So this ellipse equation is x square by A square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Guys, this is what they'll ask you. They'll ask you mostly standard ellipse only. And for horizontally elongated, it will be a greater than b. So when it is horizontally elongated, there are a few points you have to remember. An ellipse will have two foci. You might have studied that in gravitation. Where did you study? Kepler's laws of gravitation. Kepler's law. In Kepler's law, what did they say? They said that the sun will occupy one of the two places of the foci. Correct, na? Kepler's law. The sun will be in one of the two foci. Why one of the two foci? Because elliptical orbit will have two foci. So one here and one here. Two directrices. This is one directrix. X is equal to minus a by e. Another directrix is x is equal to plus a by e. And focus is minus ae comma 0 plus ae comma 0. This is the end of minor axis. This is minor axis. This is major axis. So major axis length will be 2a. Minor axis length will be 2b. Okay. Major axis is 2a. Minor axis is 2b. Got it? Center is 0 comma 0. Now, what is latus rectum? Latus rectum is the perpendicular chord which passes through focus. So there are two latus rectum. What is length of latus rectum? Length of latus rectum is 2b square by a for this ellipse. For the ellipse where a is greater than b. For the ellipse where horizontally it is elongated, this is the latus rectum. These are all the important points. Please make sure you guys make a note of it. Are you all cool with it? Everybody? Earth is an ellipse. No man, Earth is not an ellipse. Ellipse is a two-dimensional figure, right? So how can it be ellipse? Okay, if you say ellipsoid also, I can agree. Ellipse is a very bad answer. I hope now you know why you are wrong. So Earth is a geoid. It is almost a sphere, but it is slightly bulging at the equator because of the rotation of Earth, right? So it slightly bulges in the middle and sharper towards the poles. So that is why it is a geoid. Okay? Great. So why it's not ellipse? Ellipse is a two-dimensional figure, man. How can it be an ellipse? Ellipsoid, even that is wrong. Ellipsoid is also wrong. Geoid is the right shape. Geoid. Go Google it, you will understand it. So guys, now let's not go into physics. Physics is Shreyas Sir's domain. I don't want to take his place. He knows better physics than me. Okay, so let's not go there. Let's come back to maths because I do that only well. Got it? So guys, the first thing I want to teach you here, I forgot to mention one thing. Eccentricity square is equal to 1 minus b square by a square. Okay, so whenever you have the standard ellipse where your a is greater than b, this is the formula for your eccentricity. Are you all cool with that? Everybody? Can you do Hindi, please? Hindi, mere ko thoda hati. Did I say that correct? Hindi nahi malum. That's the only thing I know, man. But I'm trying to learn. I hope I learn it by 1 or 2 years. I should be aware of it. Okay. Great. So people, I hope you're all clear. Now next one. Next one is when b is greater. So you have the same equation, but b is greater than a. So if b is greater than a, it will be elongated vertically. It will be elongated vertically. Now this will become the major axis. So length of major axis will become 2b and length of minor axis will become 2a. Is that right? Because minor axis is this one. Now focus, you see, foci is in y-axis. Because it is elongated along y-axis, the focus will be in y-axis. 0, BE, 0, minus BE. The directrix also you see, y equal to b by e, y equal to minus b by e. So it is very important. You need to check whether a is greater or b is greater only for ellipse. Only for ellipse, not for hyperbola. Not for hyperbola, only for ellipse you have to check this. Okay, don't worry. Now, what is eccentricity here? Eccentricity here is 1 minus a square by b square. Got it? So here the formula will change for eccentricity. So eccentricity for ellipse where b is greater than a is given by this formula, and latus rectum is also going to change. It will be 2a square by b. So these are the certain things which you have to note down. Everybody, please note it down, then we'll move forward. Very good. Bushra, exactly Bushra. I know physics can be challenging for sometimes, but if you put right effort, if you are interested and if you are showing it some love, you can get better at it. Okay? Great, Shiva. That's awesome, man. Congrats to her. Neha ma'am has reached 1 million. That's awesome. That's a great achievement. I hope we also will do it someday in the future. I don't know how many years. 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years. But let's try to do it. Okay? Thank you, Raghunath. That is so cool of you. That is so kind of you. Great, great. Sindhu. Welcome, Sindhu. I'm seeing you after a long time. Welcome back. Kabil. Very good, Kabil. So let's move to questions, people. Are you all ready? First, note it down. All the important points. Take a screenshot. That is why I have prepared it. Why did I beautify this? Green color, orange color, bold, writing it neatly. Why should I do all that effort? Why is my content manager, we have Shimon Sir, right? Why did he spend a lot of effort? Okay, because he wanted you guys to learn it. So please take a screenshot and then do it. Okay, very good, very good. Yes, Ritish, definitely you can watch it later also, Ritish, not a problem. Very good, very good. Absolutely, Shiva, that's important. Quality is of course important. You should take care of it. So people, shall I move forward? Very good. So let's move forward, people. This is a question. Everybody try to solve it. This is a very nice question. Let's see if you guys can solve it. Hello, Shripad. Welcome, Shripad. Nice to see you here. Welcome. What are the others doing? People, are you all solving it? You also start a personal channel. Maybe later, man. Maybe in the future, but not right now. Leave means not leaving session. Okay, Ritish. I thought you wanted to leave. You are busy. No problem. If you are here, I will make sure you understand and you follow things. If you have some other commitments, no problem. You can watch it as replay as well. Not a problem. Great. Very good. So people, shall we solve it? Hello, Sagar Shukla. Welcome, man. Sagar, it started at 7:30. Right now, I'm moving on to ellipse. I'm going to discuss some very cool properties of ellipse and then we'll move forward. Okay? Hello, Sagar. Good evening. Chaitanya, Menti quiz for ITF. I don't know, man. Not right now because right now we are giving importance to 12th standard students who are writing the exam this year. We are trying to support them as much as possible. Okay, great. So here we go. People, did you all solve it? Nobody's telling the answer. What is the answer? C is the answer, is it? Are you sure? I think C is wrong. Wrong. Irshad, thank you so much, Irshad. Welcome. And I'm so glad to have you here. KVPY series. Yes, Shripad. The exam dates are announced. Registrations have begun. So we will start it after your JEE Mains is over. Don't worry about it. Ruchita, fantastic. Very good. B is the right answer. Now you guys are correct. This is right. This is wrong. Okay. So how do I solve this? First of all, complete the square, my dear children. So you take 9x square minus 6x plus 1 plus 4y square plus 4y plus 1 equal to 1. Is that okay? Can you check whether what I did is right or wrong? I combined them like this. Can you check? I just did some manipulation. I added one more 1 on both sides. So, and I combined it. Are you all clear? So this will be what? This will be 3x minus 1 the whole square plus this will be 2y plus 1 the whole square is equal to 1. So take 3 outside. So we'll get 9 into x minus 1 by 3 whole square plus 4 into y plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1. So you will get x minus 1 by 3 whole square by 1 by 3 whole square plus y plus 1 by 2 whole square by 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1. So this is your 1 by 4, 1 by 9. Which is greater? This is greater, na? This is greater. So this is your major axis. So B is equal to 1 by 2, A is equal to 1 by 3. So major axis will be 2B, which is equal to 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 1. So major axis is 1. Minor axis will be 2A, which will be equal to 2 into 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. So minor axis is 2 by 3. So that's your answer. Did you all like it? Everybody? Alia, thank you so much, Alia. Very nice to see you. And I'm so glad you're following these lectures. Can droppers attend KVPY? No, no, no. Very good. Shruti, I'm glad you solved it. So shall I move forward? Let's Crack It is enjoying it. Fantastic. Nandini, great Nandini. Is Narayana material enough for JEE Mains? Bhavan, any material, if your coaching institute, if you are sincerely following it, if it is an established institute which has proven results, you should be able to do well. Just give it your best effort, maybe you will get it, okay? Great. What is KVPY? KVPY is a government exam. It is a government scholarship exam. It's a very famous one, Vinny. Okay, you should try to check it out and write it. So people, let's go forward. Next question. Come on people, come on guys. Everybody try it out. Very easy question, Laddu one. Any idea when admit card will be released? Aishwarya, it will be released in this week. By tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you should be getting it because the exam is on 20th, right? So you will get it within this week. Don't worry about it. So boys and girls, everybody please try to solve it. Come on people. How many hours will you sleep? Janath, this week and next week, I'm going to forget about my life. Okay. So today also I had severe headache at 7:30. I was thinking, should I change it? Should I change it? Should I change it? Then I thought, you guys have your exam, your life deciding exam coming up on 20th of July. And if I shift it, then people will lose interest, right? So I wanted to be here no matter what, and I've enjoyed it. You know what? Now I feel good actually. I feel much better than how I was at 7:30 because you guys give me a lot of energy and that is what makes this job so interesting. Okay, great. So people, let's try to solve it. The equation of an ellipse whose axes are along the coordinate axis is plus or minus 5 vertices, plus or minus 4 is a foci. So AE is equal to 4 and A is equal to 5. Okay, so it's going to be x square by 25 plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Is that right? So I just need to find b. So I know A, I know E. So A is 5. So 5E is equal to 4. So E is equal to 4 by 5. So what is E square? E square equal to 1 minus B square by A square. So that is equal to 16 by 25. So what is B square by A square? B square by A square is equal to 9 by 25. So what is B square? B square is equal to 9. So the answer is x square by 25 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So the answer is 9x square plus 25y square equal to 225. That's the answer. Did you guys get it? Everybody? Vinny Sriram, thank you so much, Vinny. Exactly, Shruti. Shruti, fantastic. You remember the questions. Great, Shruti. Very good, very good. Okay. Very good. Esau, you're right. Absolutely. How do we know A is greater than B? Because the foci and the vertices are on the x-axis, right? So obviously A should be greater. If B is greater, it will be on the y-axis. Now think about it. I told you in the start. Okay, I told you in the start. Very good, Siddharth. Siddharth, I'm very happy. Get better, Siddharth. Take care of your health. And I'm happy that you're better already. Fantastic. Okay, so shall we move forward? Why not A? How A, man? How A? So 25 should be there, na? So B square is 9. Kabil, it will be x square by 25 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1, Kabil. So when you cross multiply, you will get 9x square plus 25y square, na? Is equal to 225. So that's why option D is correct. Option A is wrong, B is wrong, C is wrong. Okay, Kabir? Great, great, fantastic. So here we go, people. Next one. So before we go forward, people, I hope all of you are aware of the crash course at Vedantu. In case you guys are interested, check it out. The link is there in the description. In the crash course, we will cover all the chapters required for JEE Mains in a span of 20 days. How sir 20 days? Because from today until August 2nd, second attempt is on August 2nd, right? August 2nd is the last day. So you have 20 days. So 20 days we'll cover all of it along with test series. So teaching, assignments, test series which you can make use of, it will be included over here. Got it? The link is in the description. The original price was 10,000, but now only 20 days are there, so we reduce the price. Okay. Explain how to join. Yes. So guys, I will show you how to join. Just 1 minute. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to go to the video. Okay. So what you need to do is go to the YouTube video. So this is the video which you guys are watching. Okay. So you guys are watching here. Just come below that. And when you come below that, you will see here, right? JEE Crash Course. So just click on that and then click on buy now. And then you will get it at 4,000 rupees. That's it. As simple as that. If you want only test series, so only test series is also there. But this is for those who have very high percentile. If you are already a top ranker, 95, 96 percentile, then test series alone will be enough for you. You don't need teaching. You don't need anybody to help you. So that way you can make use of it. Is that cool, guys? So test series is over here. You can get the test series. All these are present in the description of the video. So it shows 2000, but the test series price is just 800. If you use my coupon code SJCC, this is my coupon code. If you use that, you will get it at 800 rupees. Got it? So I told you, this is the video. Just come below the video in YouTube. You will see both the links. You can buy it. Okay? Cool. So let's get back to studies. Here we go. Next one. What are the points to remember? Okay. What are the points to remember? Let me show you. Guys, if you have a point, let's say you have an ellipse. You have an ellipse. And let's say you have a point which is outside. If you have a point which is outside, then S1 will be greater than 0 if it is outside. If it is on the ellipse, S1 will be equal to 0. If it is inside the ellipse, then S1 will be less than 0. Something which is very, very important. I hope you will note down. What is S1? S1 is nothing but x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square minus 1. So you substitute the point in the ellipse equation and this value you find out. If this value is positive, the point lies outside. If this value is 0, under, it lies on the curve. And if this value is less than 0, it will lie inside the curve. Are you all happy with it? Everybody? If your exam is on 27th July, you will have access until August 2nd. Okay? You will have access until August 2nd. I think you will have access until JEE Advance also. You will have access until JEE Advance also. Okay, so don't worry about it. Did you all like it, everybody? Ruchita, fantastic, great. So now the next point, the circle is described on the major axis as diameter. What is major axis of this ellipse? This ellipse major axis is this one. So if I take the major axis as diameter and if I draw a circle, this circle is called as the auxiliary circle. This circle is called as the auxiliary circle, my dear students. Are you all happy with that, everybody? So what is the speciality of auxiliary circle? Auxiliary circle is the foot of perpendicular from the focus onto any tangent of the ellipse. So if I draw a tangent here, let's say, okay, so if I draw a tangent to the circle, to the ellipse like this, the foot of perpendicular from the focus will lie over here. The foot of perpendicular from the foci of the ellipse onto the tangent will always lie on the auxiliary circle. That's a very beautiful property. You can make a note of it. Are you all cool with it? Everybody? Sarvesh, KVPY will be online only. Online. Okay? It will be online, Sarvesh. Okay, great. Now, the next point is any parametric point. So, guys, this is the equation of auxiliary circle because this is the radius which is equal to A. Center is 0, 0 because the center of auxiliary circle is the center of the ellipse also. So, the equation of auxiliary circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. And this is the parametric point of an ellipse. Why? Because x square by a square plus y square by b square will always be satisfied by this point. Will be always satisfied this point. So, x equal to a cos theta plus y is equal to b sin theta is called as the parametric point of an ellipse. Are you all cool with that? Is there any fees for registration in KVPY? Yes, of course. KVPY is expensive, man. I think it's 1,000 rupees around, 1,250 I guess, my students were saying. I think it's around 1,250, that's what my students were saying. Everybody cool? Great, 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 great. Sid, yes Sid. So Sid is asking, sir, what is the difference between auxiliary circle and director circle? So guys, for ellipse, director circle is equal to what? For ellipse, director circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. So that is your director circle. So if this is auxiliary circle, director circle will be like this, slightly bigger than that. Director circle will be slightly bigger than that. Are you all okay with it? What is director circle? Director circle is the locus of all the points where two perpendicular tangents to the ellipse will meet. Director circle is the locus of all the points where two perpendicular tangents to the ellipse will meet. Are you all cool? Shall I move forward? Yes? Great. So let's move forward. Can 11th standard students can also apply? Yes, Kartikeya Mishra, of course man. 11th standard students can also apply for KVPY. Why not? Why not? Why not? Of course you can. Okay. So people, please solve it. Everybody, I'm going to give you exactly 1 minute time. After that, I'm going to discuss it. It's a very good question and I expect everybody to solve. Please do it. Guys, everybody focus on the session. Don't ask me different stuff. Let's focus on ellipse for now. We are doing something very important and serious. Hello Devesh Swami. Welcome Devesh Swami. Nice to have you here. Okay. B is the answer. Okay, let's check it. Let's check it. I think you might be right. Hello Pandu. Welcome. Sai says A. Okay, let's check it. Books for class 11. Harshit, Cengage is a very good book. Tattva Material by Vedantu is a good book. Vedantu, you can join the pro subscription. I also teach for 11th standard. You can check it out. Maybe you will like it. Kabil, very good. Avilash, Preksha, Bhavan, Isao. Let's check it. Let's check it. So first of all, what is point P? Can I take point P as A cos theta, comma B sin theta? What is S1? AE, comma 0. S2 is equal to minus AE, comma 0. So what is the area of triangle? The area of triangle will be half determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. So open with respect to column 2. So the area of triangle is half B cos theta into AE minus of minus AE. So it will be 2AE. Is that correct? So B sin theta, right? Okay. It should be sin theta. I'm sorry. So it should be B sin theta. So you will get what? 2 cancels. So delta will be equal to ABE sin theta. So this is the value of delta. So we want maximum value. So when will area be maximum? When sin theta is 1. Because maximum value of sin theta is 1. So the area of the triangle will be maximum when sin theta is 1. It will be ABE. Did you all like it? Everybody cool with that? Ashi Kumari, you are right, Ashi. Fantastic. So boys and girls, any doubts, any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, we will move forward. Did you all like it? Everybody? Shall I move forward? Yes, Harshavardhan Singh. The same thing is projected there in catalysis as well. So guys, if you're writing in catalysis, if you're watching in catalysis, you can come over to Enthuse so that I can answer your doubts. But if you're happy there, you can continue there, no problem. Okay. Great. Fantastic. Perfect. So people, let's move forward. So Vinny Sriram, I have mentioned in a separate video. Watch that video, Vinny, because this session is for 2021 batch, man. We have to be serious. So guys, please make a note of it. I'm going to move forward. So now this is a line and an ellipse. So let's say you have an ellipse. A line can be neither secant nor tangent. That means neither touching the circle nor intersecting the circle, or it can be a tangent or it can be a secant. Secant means it cuts the graph at 2 points. Tangent means it touches the graph at 1 point. Neither secant nor tangent means it does not do anything. It is just away from the curve. Are you all clear? Pujit, no Pujit, only English. English, and if you are okay, Hindi is also that separately. Okay, otherwise English is what we do. Got it? Are you all clear? Are you all clear with it? Everybody, did you all like it? Fantastic, right? So if you want this line to touch the ellipse, then this is the condition. This is the condition for tangency. This is the condition for tangency. If the line intersects the ellipse, then this is the condition. So this is the condition for secant. And this is the condition for neither secant nor tangent. So just make a note of it. Very important, guys. Let's move forward. Are you all happy? Hello, Obulpuri. It is very simple, man. So whenever your line y equal to mx plus c is tangential to this ellipse, then this is the condition. This is the condition it has to satisfy. If this is the line and if it is intersecting the ellipse, intersecting means what? It is like this, a secant. Then this is the condition. If it is neither secant nor tangent, then this is the condition. That's it. Very simple. Nothing much to think over here. Got it? Very good. Very good. Very good. Let's move forward. Let's apply it, guys. Everybody please do it. Come on, boys and girls. Very simple. Very simple. I am sure you guys are capable of getting it right. Please go for it, my dear boys and my dear girls. Come on. All of you try to crack it. People, do it fast. Come on, guys. You are capable of getting it right. I know for that. I know for sure you all are capable of getting it. It's a very simple question. Where is C? Pavan Kumar, Mamidala. Don't worry, Pavan. I will help you. Okay. So first of all, this is C, Pavan. So y is equal to mx plus c, na? So here m is 1, Pavan, because here you see x coefficient is 1. What is C? C is lambda, Pavan. Okay. Now, if it is a tangent, touches means what? Touches means it's tangent to this ellipse. What is this ellipse? This ellipse is x square by 16, Pavan, plus y square by 9 equal to 1. So, if it is a tangent, then c square should be equal to a square m square plus b square. Okay, what is a square? A square is 16, na? So, it will be 16m square plus b square. What is b square? B square is 9. B square is 9. That should be equal to c square. What is c square? C square is lambda square. What is m? M is 1. So, put 1 over here. Because m is 1, 1 square. So, lambda square, Pavan, is equal to 25. So, what is lambda? Lambda will be plus or minus 5. Easy? Did you like it? Very good. Science Priya, Sindhu, Avilash, Mansi, Isao, Sid, Rajeshwari, Mansi, Kabil, Aishwarya. Very good. Very good. Susi, very good. Great. Vishesh, very good Vishesh. Ashi, Nandini. Hello Adish, welcome Adish. Sai Telugu, exactly Obulpuli. It's very, very simple, right? Great. Preksha, if you're aiming for 95 plus percentile, you have to increase your conic sections. You have to get better at it. Vandavasu Lakshmi, very good. Mansi, I'm doing great, Mansi. Chandrasekhar, yes, Chandrasekhar, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Great. So let's move forward. Here we go, boys and girls. The next question will be based on tangents. Okay. So guys, please make a note of it. Tangent to an ellipse. So if you want tangent to an ellipse, let's say at a point, let's say you have an ellipse like this. You have a point x1, y1. I want to find the equation of tangent at this point. Then it is given by this formula. Okay, it is given by this formula. So you have to have a point on the ellipse where you are drawing the tangent. Then you can use this formula. Let me repeat. x1, y1 is a point on the ellipse where you are drawing the tangent. Then you can use this formula. xx1 by a square plus yy1 by b square equal to 1. Now, from here to here, it's very easy. So, x1 can be written as a cos theta, y1 can be written as b sine theta, that's what I did, x into a cos theta by a square can be written as x cos theta by a, y into b sine theta by b square can be written as y by b sine theta equal to 1. So these two are the same. Here I used x1, y1. Here I used parametric point. That's it. Okay. Varinder, Garg, Adish. I can see you, Adish. You're not blocked. Don't worry. Hello, Vishesh. Very good beastly cast. I'm so glad you are enjoying it. Welcome. So people, everybody is cool with it? Yes. Thank you, Surya Prakash. I'm so glad you are all realizing that. Yes, of course, we are pushing ourselves beyond our physical limits also. But I'm so glad it's helping you and you are improving because of that. Okay, great. Exactly. Very good. So people, shall we move forward? Great. The last one is what I explained just now. So y equal to mx plus c will be a tangent to ellipse if c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. So c should be equal to plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. So that's what I have written here. Nah? So plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. That is when your line y equal to mx plus c will be a tangent to a ellipse. Are you all cool with that? Shall we move forward? Yes? Great. Are you in Bangalore? No, I am in Chennai, man. How's your throat? My throat is slightly better than yesterday. It is better. Thank you, Vishesh. Thank you, Adish. Very good, very good. Vishal, I teach for 11th standard, man. If you are in 11th standard, you can come to my batch. Definitely. Okay, so people try to solve this. Everybody, please try to solve it. When A is equal to B, the ellipse will become circle. Yes. You are right, Kabil. The ellipse will become a circle. You are right. Very good. So people, please solve it. All of you. Even I am in 11th. So Vishal, I started my batch on May 10th. Asmi wants my batch. Asmi, for you, I think they are not able to accommodate certain people. So for you, you have to write letter to wecare@vedanta.com. So only on special request we are allowing you. Otherwise, we are going to keep you away from this TC. You are in E batch. Okay. That means you joined 2 weeks later or 3 weeks later than my batch. Hello Rahul, welcome man. Ruchita, let's check it Ruchita. I think you might be right. But others, everybody, what is the answer? Okay, Obulpuli. Great. Happy birthday just in case. So with Asmi, it's always just in case. Asmi, really is it? I don't want to be fooled again. Beastly cars. Yes, you are right, beastly cars. Kabil is saying, no, I cannot get it. So Kabil, I'll help you, don't worry. Lol. So Adish has been fooled once again. Adish, you are leading me, man. I need more people like you. Is it okay to leave coordinate geometry? Badri, coordinate geometry has 20-25% weightage. 20-25% weightage. Okay. So Chand Hussain, admit card I don't think came. You have to wait for it. It will come within 2-3 days. Wait for it. So guys, first of all, any tangent, can I take it as x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1? So what is the x-intercept? X-intercept will be a by cos theta, comma 0. That is the x-intercept. And y-intercept will be what? Y-intercept will be 0, comma b by sin theta. Are you all okay with it? Everybody? So that is your x-intercept and that is your y-intercept. I hope everybody is cool with that. So I have got both of it. Now they are saying that midpoint of these two intercepts. So you have a tangent like this. They're asking the midpoint of these two. Midpoint of this portion. We want to find the locus of it. What will be the midpoint of it? It will be a by 2 cos theta, comma b by 2 sin theta. That's the midpoint. So let's take the midpoint as h comma k. So h comma k is equal to A by 2 cos theta, comma, B by 2 sin theta over. So what is A? A by 2h is equal to cos theta and B by 2k is equal to sin theta. Now square and add them over. Square and add them, equate it to 0, you will get the answer. Equate it to 1 because cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, right? Everybody finish it off, guys. Come on. Very good, Dharmateja. Very good, Sid. Sid is also right. Come on, people. Tell me the answer. Please tell me the answer, boys and girls. I want everybody to participate. Please do it. Quickly, guys. Every boy, every girl who is present here, try to solve it. Option D is the answer. Very safe answer. But Asmin, that's not right. Not today. Not today. Very good, very good. So people, the answer is option C. Very good, that's correct. So you have cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Huh? So you will get what? A by 2h whole square plus B by 2k whole square is equal to 1. So you'll have what? A square by h square plus B square by k square is equal to 4. Why 4? Because 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4. I took it to right hand side. So h is converted to x, k is converted to y. So a square by x square plus b square by y square equal to 4. So option C is correct. Everybody cool? Very good, Kabil. Very good, Ruchita. Fantastic. Okay, very good, Science Priya. So with that, people, let's get going to the next one. The next one is a chord of contact. Okay. So chord of contact and director circle. So director circle though I have already explained. What is director circle? Director circle is the locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents to an ellipse, and it is given by this for a standard ellipse. For x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the director circle. Please make a note of it. Please make a note of it. Everybody. Okay. So locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents to an ellipse is called as director circle, and for a standard ellipse, this is the director circle formula. Got it, everybody? Great. Dharmateja, this year counseling, I don't know, man. It depends, right? So every year it changes. So I'm not very sure about it. You may get or you may not get. I would say don't risk it. Instead, next attempt, try to do well. Increase your percentile. That's the best thing you can do. Got it? Okay, so people, now let's look at the first point. Chord of contact. What is chord of contact? So my dear boys and girls, from an external point, you can draw two tangents to an ellipse. Is that correct? From an external point, you can draw two tangents to the ellipse. Is that correct, everybody? Now, those two tangents will touch the ellipse at 2 points. Let's say P and P dash. Okay, it will touch the ellipse at P and P dash. So joining P and P dash, that is called as chord of contact. So it is the chord which is joining the 2 points of contact. What is chord of contact? Chord of contact is the chord which connects the 2 points of contact of tangents drawn from an external point. Very easy. Is that cool, guys? Everybody? Fantastic. So how do you find that? You find by equating t equal to 0 with respect to this outside point. What is t equal to 0 for ellipse? So ellipse equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So t equal to 0 will be x square will become xx1 by a square, y square will become yy1 by b square is equal to 1. So this is t equal to 0. So put x1, put y1. This is your equation of chord of contact. This is your equation of chord of contact. Can you see that? So this is nothing but your chord of contact, which is nothing but PP dash line. PP dash line over here. Nah? That's how you find out. This is how you find out. Are you all okay with it? Did you all like it? Everybody cool with it? Harshit, take care, man. All the best for your future exams. I hope you will do well. So people, shall we move forward? Are you all happy with it? Everybody, boys and girls? Great. Exactly, Adish. Fantastic. So Shrofax. Yes, Shrofax, I do remember you. Welcome. Sid, Dharmateja, let's go forward. Let's solve some questions. Beautiful question I have here. Let's see how many of you can crack it. Let us see how many of you can crack it. Yes, Asmi, not happy birthday for you. You are right. At least now you are agreeing to it. Good job. Tarun, did you enjoy the crash course? I hope you are making use of it, Tarun. So guys, all those who are very serious, you want an intensive program, please check out the crash course. I told you how to join it. Check it out in the description of the video. In the description you have the link. Click on the link, pay 4,000. 4,000 is the price you have to pay for entire crash course along with test series. Okay, so check it out, make use of it. Okay, so people, what is the answer? Tarun, you liked it? Okay, great. Awesome, man. That's reassuring. That's reassuring. Very good, Tarun. I'm glad you enjoyed it. So people, shall we move forward? Shreyansh Pandey says C. Asmi, what is the answer? A, B, C, D. Great. Adish says C. Okay, let's check it who is right. So from a point P, two tangents are drawn. Okay, let me tell you. So you have a point P here. You are drawing two tangents. Let's say one tangent like this, another tangent like this. Now this is the chord of contact. Okay, so Q is here, R is here. So chord of contact is what? X plus 3y equal to 1. So QR is nothing but chord of contact. How many of you can realize that? Do you understand that? QR is the chord of contact. Very good, Dharmateja, you are right. Very good. So now let's take P as x1, y1. So what is chord of contact? Chord of contact is t equal to 0. So for this equation, what is t equal to 0? It is xx1 by 2 plus yy1 equal to 1. So that and this are the same. These two equations are the same. So let's compare them. x1 by 2 should be equal to 1. And y1 should be equal to 3. That's it. So the answer is 2, 3. Where is 2, 3? Adish. Very good, Adish. Fantastic. Are you all clear, everybody? Very good, Akanksha. Fantastic. Avilash, you are absolutely right. Great job, guys. Triambak, yes, Triambak, I will explain it. Asmi is saying Adish Tukka OP. Asmi, you got 1/4 correct. Adish got fully correct. No matter what, he got it correct, okay? Don't ruin his reputation like this. Okay, so guys, the answer is 2, 3. So Triambak, I'll explain it. Listen very carefully. Okay, listen very carefully. NEET aspirant, Akanksha, fantastic. For NEET aspirant, your math, if you solve this question, I would say it's at a very good level. Okay, awesome. So guys, first of all, Triambak, you need to understand QR is the chord of contact with respect to the point P for this ellipse. So QR equation is given to us, Triambak, okay? So how do you get chord of contact? When you know the external point, you put t equal to 0. So how do you find t equal to 0? When equation of ellipse is given, x square will become xx1, y square will become yy1, and that's it, over. Now this is your chord of contact. But we already know chord of contact equation, na? You already know chord of contact equation. Just compare it and then try to solve it. As simple as that. Everybody please try to do it, guys. Come on, boys and girls. I hope all of you are clear. I'm sure you guys are all enjoying it. Avinash is enjoying it a lot, I guess. Okay, so people, shall we move forward? Yes, Sid, we'll go forward. Don't worry. We'll try to go faster. Great. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Here we go. Please solve it, guys. Everybody. So the equation of director circle for the ellipse we have to try to find out. Yes, Rohit. We'll try to go faster. Okay. We'll have to complete it. So director circle. First of all, we'll have to simplify this equation. How do I simplify it? I'll get 9x square plus 36x. So this is what? 3x the whole square. Then I'll have plus 36 now. I need plus 36. Then I have what? Plus 4y square minus 24y Again, I need plus 36. So I'll add equal to 36. Okay, what am I doing? I'm adding 36 on both sides. I'm adding 36 on both sides. As simple as that. So what will this be? This will be what? This will be 3x plus 6 whole square plus this will be 2y minus 6 whole square is equal to 36. Are you all cool? So let's take 9 outside. So it will be 9 into x plus 2 the whole square. Here we'll take 2 outside. So it will become 4 into y minus 3 the whole square is equal to 36. Are you all clear till here? Please go through it, guys. Vishesh says A, Dharmateja says A, Surya A. You guys are legendary, man. You guys are legendary. Very good, boys and girls. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Sai Pradeep, Sarat, Sid, Akanksha, Susi. Very good. Gaming Monkey, yes, I teach for Drishti C batch. Drishti C batch in Vedantu. You can join the pro subscription. Clay Tsunami, very good. That's absolutely right. So after this, what do you guys do? Let me show you how it is done, okay? Very simple. After this, it's very easy, guys. After this, it's pretty easy. I'll show you. You just have to finish it off. So now bring the 36 down. So it'll become x plus 2 the whole square by 9 by 36 is 4 plus y minus 3 the whole square. 4 by 36 is 9. So this is the equation of ellipse. So I told you the director circle and the ellipse will have the same centers. So the equation of director circle is x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. What is a square plus b square? 13. So that's your answer. Got it? Hello Rahul, welcome. Dharmendra, very good. Harsha, these are all basic questions, Harsha, but I'm just teaching you the concept behind it so that you will be ready to tackle tough questions as well. Okay? Very good. So people, make a note of it. Try to write down the formula, then we'll go and apply it. Okay? I'm going to give a question based on the last one. So remember the last formula. I'm telling you upfront. I'm going to give you a question based on this. But all the three are important. Please remember all three. Remember all. Very important. Okay? Please make sure you remember it. Thank you, Triambak. Yes, Dharmateja. Dharmateja, I've already done permutation and combination. Check it out. I've done it in catalysis. I've done it in enthuse as well. Okay. So I've done it in both the channels. If you have time, do check it out. Okay. So people, shall we move forward? Everybody? Are you all ready? Shall we go ahead? Shall we go ahead? Please give tips for calculus. Goodla Vishnu, I'm taking calculus on Thursday and Friday. Please attend those sessions. They are very, very important. Is PNC easy? Gokul Kishore for JEE Mains, it's easy only, man. It is not that difficult. Okay. Parth, admit card, I don't think came, man. I'm not sure about it. I have been taking class for the last 3 hours. I don't think it came still. It will come in the next 2-3 days. So please wait for it, Parth. That is my recommendation for all of you. Okay. Great. So people, let's go forward. Let's try to solve some questions based on it. I hope all of you noted it down. Let's start hyperbola right after this. Right after we finish ellipse. Okay. Great. Very good. When did you make a session on formulas? Ruchita, the session on formula will be on Sunday. Complete formula revision will be on Sunday. Okay. Great. Yes, Vishesh, I'll try to do that. So guys, what is the equation of normal which is parallel to this ellipse, which is going to be to this ellipse, having a tangent line. Having a tangent line at that point, oh, it's given here, right? Having a line parallel to the tangent as this. So slope of tangent is what? Slope of tangent is minus 1 by 2. Is that correct? Because this line is what? 2y is equal to minus x plus 4. So y is equal to minus 1 by 2x plus 2. So slope is what? Slope of tangent is equal to minus 1 by 2. Are you all cool with this? Till here, how many of you have understood it? Please let me know, guys. Everybody. Till here, how many of you have understood it? Please let me know. If you're all cool with it, then I will move forward. Shall we go ahead? Everybody? Great. Now, if slope of tangent is minus half, can I say slope of normal is 2? Everybody okay with that? Slope of normal is 2. So that itself tells me this is the answer. Laddu. That itself tells me that is the answer, right? Option A is the answer. Because only one option has slope as 2. Very simple. Got it? Very good, very good. But let me solve it also. So what is the formula, guys? Y is equal to mx plus or minus you have m into b square minus a square. A square minus b square. What is the formula? Did you guys memorize it? Can you please help me with that? It will be a square minus b square, right? So it is 8 minus 2 divided by, what will you have? Divided by what will you have? Come on people, let me know. Quickly. Divided by 8, is it? Divided by 8, I don't think so. What will you have, boys and girls? Divided by root of, you will have what? You will have what? A square plus b square m square. So use that. So it will be a square is 8 plus b square is 2 square, 2. B square is 2 only, okay? So 2 into m square is what? M square is 2 square. So this will be 16, right? 8 plus 8, 16. So it will be root of 16. Root of 16 is what? Root of 16 is 4. So that will be 3. So that will be 3. So you will get 2x plus or minus 3. That's your normal. So that's why answer is option A. Did you all like it? Please learn it, guys. Please learn it. Don't be casual. Come on, people. If I don't remember, it's fine because I'm teaching. I don't like to remember very big formulas. But you have to. You are writing the exam, right? So please make sure you do that. Remember these formulas, very important. Okay. So let's go forward. Shall we get started with hyperbola? So correctly, we are on time. Hyperbola, we have 40 minutes. Legendary, na? Okay. So how is it going, people? Did you all enjoy it? Yes, Vishesh. Yup. After exams, can we forget? yeah. Why bother remembering after exam, man? After exam, you can forget. It's okay. It's up to you. Ruchita saying, it is too late. Yeah, Ruchita, I know. So let's get started, boys and girls. Hyperbola, the first thing is you have ax square plus 2hxy. It is also a conic section, right? So it follows the basic rules. Plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So for this to represent a hyperbola, your delta should not be 0, first condition. Second condition is your h square should be greater than AB. Is that okay, people? This is the basic definition. Don't forget that. Are you all cool with that? Everybody? Guys, come on. Listen. I know everybody is sleepy, but we'll have to manage it, guys. We'll have to keep going. We have a lot of good things to cover. Is it late? I used to take classes at 11:30, you remember? I used to take class from 11:30 to 1 o'clock when I started the channel. I don't know whether you guys remember it or not. But now it is just 10:40, guys. It's okay. It is not late. I know you guys are night owls. Night owls who will work from night till morning. Exactly. Great. Yesterday Mohit sir took till 12:30. Yeah. Mohit sir is like next level energy, man. I don't know where he gets his energy from. He took 12 hours class. 4 hours class itself, I am tired. But yeah, today I was not well. But otherwise, I think I can manage 8 hours at maximum. I can teach continuously for 8 hours. But continuously for 12 hours, I don't know. Hats off to him. Definitely, na? Nobody can do that. And that too, he teaches very good level stuff, man. He teaches very good stuff. So you should definitely check it out if you have time. Mohit sir has gym body. yeah. I know, I've seen his Instagram. So guys, let's move forward. Exactly, Clay Tsunami. That's legendary. Impossible, yeah. So guys, let's move forward. The next one is, we have the line, right? So let's look at the other definition. Let's say this line is directrix. Okay. So this line is called as a directrix, and you have a focus, let's call it alpha beta, and you have a point which is a moving point x comma y. So the distance of the point from the directrix and the distance of the point from the focus. So these two should be in a ratio which is equal to E. Now if this ratio is greater than 1, then it represents a hyperbola. So for hyperbola, eccentricity is always greater than 1. Okay, eccentricity is always greater than 1. I hope you're aware of that. Yes, boys and girls, cool with it? Shall I move forward? Great. So let's go ahead. Now, looking at standard hyperbola. What is the standard hyperbola? X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So for this hyperbola, eccentricity is equal to what? E square is equal to 1 plus b square by a square. This is eccentricity. What is latus rectum? Latus rectum is 2b square by a. Same as ellipse. So the foci will be AE comma 0. The directrix will be A by E. Directrix is equal to x equal to plus or minus A by E. Foci will be plus or minus AE comma 0. Just like ellipse. Just like ellipse. The center is 0 comma 0. The vertices are A comma 0 minus A comma 0. This is your transverse axis. So guys, in hyperbola, we don't call it as major axis, minor axis. Very important. Very important. Are you aware of it? Do you know that? If you don't know that, then listen carefully. Guys, for hyperbola, we don't call it major axis, minor axis. We call it as transverse axis and conjugate axis. What is transverse axis? Transverse axis is the one which has the foci. The axis passing through the foci is called as transverse axis. The other axis is called as conjugate axis. So here, transverse axis is 2A, conjugate axis is 2B. Did you like it? Very important. Very important. So shall we move forward? Did you all like it? Everybody cool? Fantastic. So with that, people, let's get going. Let's get going to the next one. Okay, I hope you're all aware of it. Now this is the other hyperbola. The other hyperbola will be like this, guys. It will be y square by b square minus x square by a square is equal to 1. So then you will have the hyperbola like this. It will be like this. Okay, very, very important. Please make sure you guys are writing it down. Very important. Okay. Very good, Dharma Teja. Fantastic. Some students got their admit card. Great, great, great. Gaming Monkey, I'm not very sure, man. My batch started much earlier, so you might miss out on few videos. Okay. That is a problem. So eccentricity for a circle will be 0, right? Yes, you can say that. Yeah. Great. So people, shall I move forward? So make a note of this. Again, I've given you the table. So take a screenshot of this. This table will be very useful. Again, it is made only for you guys so that you guys can make use of it and refer to it whenever you study in the future. Okay. Boys and girls, everybody cool with it? Shall I proceed? Are you all clear? Yes, Vishal, I will try to do that. Perfect. So here we go. This is the question. Please try to solve it, guys. Very simple questions only I'm asking. I'm not asking you tough questions. Very simple questions. Everybody, please try to do it. Pavan, what is your doubt, Pavan? If you have any doubt, let me know. Parth, very good, Parth. What happened? What made you cry? Don't tell me it's mathematics. Mathematics has made Parth cry. What happened, man? Are you okay? Guys, are you all doing it? What is up, people? Come on, boys and girls. Let me know. Do you have any doubts? Do you have any questions that you want me to ask? Cool. So let's go about it. Okay. So guys, your foci is given, right? And it touches the y-axis. The length of transverse axis. So first of all, guys, the distance between foci is what? Distance between them is what? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that's equal to 17. So that is equal to what? Distance between foci is 2AE. So 2AE is equal to 17. So AE is equal to 17 by 2. That is something we have. Then it touches the y-axis. That means y-axis is a tangent. That means y-axis is a tangent. Okay. Y-axis is a tangent. Now people, I have very, very important thing to tell. The product of perpendicular from foci onto the tangent is equal to b square. Do you all know that? So let's say P1 is the perpendicular from one of the foci onto the tangent. P2 is the length of perpendicular from second foci onto the tangent. This product will be equal to b square. Now what is the perpendicular distance from this focus onto y-axis? The perpendicular distance is 5, right? The perpendicular distance from this foci onto this tangent, perpendicular distance is x-coordinate because y-axis, right? Y-axis means the distance is 10. So P2 is 10. So 5 into 10 is b square. Very good property. I hope you note it down. The product of perpendiculars dropped from the focus onto the tangent will be equal to b square. Are you all clear? So b square is 50, AE is 17 by 2. These are the two informations. B square is 50, AE is 17 by 2. Now let's square this. If I square this, I'll get a square E square is equal to 17 by 2 whole square, which is 289 by 4. So now this can be written as a square E square is what? A square into, for hyperbola, it is 1 plus b square by a square. So that is equal to 289 by 4. So if I do that, I'll get a square plus b square is equal to 289 by 4. So I'll get b square is 50. So a square is equal to 89 by 4. So a is equal to root of 89 by 2. So what is length of transverse axis? Length of transverse axis is 2a. So 2a is equal to twice of this. Twice of this will be root 89. That's the answer. Did you all like it? Everybody? Are you all cool with it? So shall we move forward, boys and girls? Shall we move forward? Everybody please let me know. So guys, if you are watching in Catalysis, this video is broadcasted in Enthuse channel. So we are going live in Enthuse. If you have a doubt, you can come here and ask. I will definitely take up your doubts as well. Okay? Will you teach asymptotes? Yes, Rohit, I will teach you asymptotes if you are interested in that. So people, let's look at asymptotes. This was an easy question. Now coming to asymptotes. So let us say you have a hyperbola like this, okay? This is one branch and this is another branch. So asymptotes means they are nothing but tangents to the hyperbola at infinity. So they appear to meet the hyperbola at infinity. So it should be a straight line. I drew it wrong. So let me first draw the asymptotes. That's better. So the asymptotes are usually like this. There will be two asymptotes. One will be like this. Another will be like this for standard hyperbola. And the hyperbola will be like this. So they will appear to touch the hyperbola at infinity. Okay, they will appear to touch the hyperbola at infinity. So these two lines are called as the asymptotes. So if you say x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 is your hyperbola, then x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to under is your pair of asymptotes. Beautiful. So if you say this is the equation of hyperbola, then this is the equation of your asymptotes. Now this is a square minus b square formula. Can you factorize it? Asymptotes are nothing but they are lines which appear to be tangents at infinity. So if you see this line, this black color line, it tends to touch the curve at infinity, but it does not touch the curve. So they are not tangents, but they are tangents at infinity. Got it? So that's how you understand asymptotes. And this is how you get the equation of asymptotes. So what are the equations? If you factorize it, you will get x by a plus y by b, a plus b into a minus b. That's why a square minus b square. Okay, so that is equal to 0. So what are the two equations? The two equations are x by a plus y by b equal to 0 and x by a minus y by b is equal to 0. So these are the two equations of hyperbola asymptotes. Everybody cool with it? Everybody cool with it? If the asymptotes are perpendicular, then it means it is a rectangular hyperbola. If asymptotes are perpendicular, it means it's a rectangular hyperbola, then eccentricity is root 2. Very important property. Please make a note of it. You can be asked. You can be asked this question. If the asymptotes are perpendicular, then the rectangular hyperbola we call it. And its eccentricity is always root 2. Okay. Eccentricity is always root 2. Are you all happy with it, my dear boys and girls? Did you all like it? Very interesting stuff, right? Very, very interesting stuff. I hope you're all making a note of it. Shall I move forward? Great. Fantastic, fantastic. Yes, Sid, I'll explain that once again. Prabhas, what is your doubt, Prasad? Prabhas, what is your doubt? Please tell me. And I'm teaching for 12th standard, guys. Those who are writing exam this year, I'm teaching for them. So I hope that is clear. Hello, Rana. Welcome, Rana. Nice to see you here. Welcome. Okay. Great. Yes, Rohit. You are right, Rohit. Okay, so next property is, so Sai, somebody was asking me to repeat. So if you have an ellipse, if you have two focus, right? So let's say you have a tangent. So from the focus, if you drop two perpendiculars, let's say this perpendicular length is P1, let's say this perpendicular length is P2. So the product of the length of these perpendiculars is equal to B square. That's a property of a hyperbola. That's a property of ellipse as well. Okay, that's a property of ellipse as well as hyperbola. You can make use of it. Please write it down. The product of perpendiculars from the focus onto the tangent will be equal to B square. Make a note of it, guys. Everybody. Cool. Sid, I hope you have understood it. So with that, people, let's go to the next question. Right on your screen. Please do it. Rohit. Yes, Rohit, you are right. For ellipse, it matters. For hyperbola, it is B square. Okay. So guys, everybody please go ahead and try to solve it. If you have any doubts, let me know. I will help you out. Great. Eccentricity, latus rectum. Esau, don't worry about that right now. Right now, I'm teaching you for the exam in 4 days. For exam in 4 days, you don't have to research what is eccentricity, what is latus rectum. Just know the formula, learn how to apply it. Okay, at this moment, that is what is important. So let's focus only on that. So what is E1? E1 is equal to, E1 square is equal to 1 minus B square by 25. What is E2? E2 will be equal to 1 plus B square by 16. Now we know E1, E2 is equal to 1. So can I say E1 square, E2 square is equal to 1? So that will be equal to product of these two. What is the product of these two? 1 minus B square by 25 plus B square by 16 plus minus, right? Minus B power 4 by 400. So can you guys solve this? Can you guys solve this and tell me what is the value of B? Can you guys solve this and tell me what is the value of B? Please do it. Everybody, come on guys. Tell me what is the value of B. Quickly. Virat Kohli. Very good. What about others? Come on people. I have solved it and I'm asking you to do it. Nobody is trying it out. Don't give up guys. Come on. I want all of you to participate. Very good. Option D, everybody says. Okay, we'll check it. You guys are telling me the answer. That's fantastic. So if I solve this, what will I get? I'll get 1 is equal to 1 and 1 will cancel away. So I'll get B power 4 by 400 is equal to B square 1 by 16 minus 1 by 25. So that'll be 25 minus 16, 9 by 400. So 400 cancel. I'll get B square is equal to 9. So if B square is equal to 9, I'll get E2 square will be equal to 25 by 16 and E1 square is equal to 4 by 5. So E1 will be 4 by 5. E2 will be what? E2 will be 5 by 4. E2 will be 5 by 4. Got it? So 4 by 5, 5 by 4. Those are the eccentricities. So E1 is 4 by 5. E2 is 5 by 4. Now we need to find the distance between foci and distance between foci of hyperbola. So that is nothing but 2a E1, 2a E2. Okay, so A for ellipse is 25. So it is 2 into 5 into 4 by 5. For hyperbola it is 16. So 2 into 4 into 5 by 4. So this is how much? 5, 5 cancel. This will be 8. This will be equal to how much? 4, 4 cancel. This will be 10. So 8, 10 is the answer. I hope you guys liked it. It's option A. Yes, Parida Chakur. No problem, man. Sid, very good, Sid. You are absolutely right. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. Perfect. So, Virat Kohli, what do you want to know? Ask me the correct question. In this situation in maths, how many chapters? Try to do all the easy chapters. Quadratic equation, sequence and series, matrices, determinants, statistics, mathematical reasoning, and then you have probability if you want. So these are easy topics. Try to do that. Yes, admit cards are released, guys. Some people are getting it. So please go check it out if you are interested to download it right away. So this is the next question. I taught you this just now. Let's see how many of you remember. Let's see how many of you remember. How many students are sincerely following it? I want to understand. Please try to do it, guys. Everybody. Everybody, please try to do it. Everybody, try it out and let me know what is your doubt. So boys and girls, yes. Guys, the answer is option C. Why? The asymptotes are perpendicular. Did you see that? I told you whenever asymptotes are perpendicular, the slope of this is what? Minus 3 by 4. The slope of this is what? 4 by 3. So the product of both of them is minus 1. So asymptotes are perpendicular. That means it's a rectangular hyperbola. If it is a rectangular hyperbola, then A is equal to B, which implies eccentricity is equal to root 2. Got it? So please remember this. Very important, guys. Very important. It's a very nice result. Okay. Everybody is cool with that? Fantastic. Great. Okay, so shall we move forward, everybody? Great job, guys. So with that, let's move forward. If they are not perpendicular, you have to multiply the equations of asymptotes. You will get a pair of straight lines. And then you have to add a constant to those pair of straight lines and then satisfy the hyperbola condition which I taught you. But that is an advanced question, Isao. You don't have to worry about it. For JEE Mains, it's not needed. Don't worry about it. That is too complicated for JEE Mains. So guys, this is the last two portions, tangents and normals. We are coming to a conclusion. So please do stay motivated, guys. Last 15 minutes, last 20 minutes. Okay, so please stay motivated. I want you guys to help me out here. I want everybody to make a note of it. What is the first one? Equation of tangent. So if you want to find the tangent to an hyperbola, let's say you have a hyperbola like this. I want to find the tangent at some random point P, which is x1, y1. Then this is how you do it. So if you want to find the tangent at this point P, whose coordinates are known, then you use this formula. x1 is known to you, y1 is known to you. That's it, done. Nothing else you need. Now, parametric form means you will put x1 as a secant theta and y1 as b tan theta, because a secant theta comma b tan theta is the parametric coordinates for a hyperbola. It is the parametric coordinates for an hyperbola. Are you all cool with that? Everybody? So the parametric coordinates for a hyperbola is a secant theta comma b tan theta. That's what I used here. And the same thing. Instead of x1, put a secant theta. Instead of y1, put b tan theta over. So same formula. You just have to remember the parametric points. Got it? Everybody cool with that? And this is the slope form of tangent. So if a line y equal to mx plus c is a tangent to a hyperbola, x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, then c square should be equal to a square m square minus b square. Very important condition for tangency of a line. Okay, condition for tangency for a line. Okay, everybody please make a note of it, guys. Shall I move forward? Are you all happy with it? Everybody, let me know, boys and girls. Are you all happy with it? Did you all like it? Is there any problem? Very good, very good, very good. Yes, Adish, thank you so much, Adish. I will do that, man. So kind of you. So people, try to solve this question. Everybody. Please give me charge. Sham Ruben, last 5 days, Sham Ruben. Whatever effort you put, whatever half an hour you are trying to control and put in your education, put in your effort, it is going to result in something beautiful. Maybe 1 percentile more, maybe 5 percentile more, maybe 10 percentile more. So it is going to help you. So please do that. Okay. Great, Shiva. Fantastic. So eccentricity of standard hyperbola passing through the point 4, 6 is 2. Then the equation of tangent at 4, 6 is what? Everybody, it's a standard hyperbola. So what do we have? We have x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. We know eccentricity is 2. So e square is equal to 1 minus b square by a square. So you'll have what? E square is 1 plus, right? So e square is 2 square. 2 square will be 4. So 3 is equal to b square by a square. So b square is equal to 3a square. Is that right? Everybody got it? So this is the standard hyperbola. Eccentricity is 2. So e is 2. So e square is what? E square is this relation. Are you all clear? Everybody? Fantastic. I hope you guys are all cool with it. So 4 is equal to 1 plus b square by a square. So b square by a square equal to 3. So b square equal to 3a square. That's what I have written. Are you all clear? So can I write b square as 3a square? So b square as 3a square. I can write it here. Now 4, 6 lies on the hyperbola. 4, 6 lies on the hyperbola. So 4, 6 will satisfy the equation. So put x as 4, 16 by a square, and y as 6. So you'll get 36 by 3a square is equal to 1. So 36 and 3, 12. So 28 is equal to a square you will get. So a square I got. B square is what? B square is 3a square. So 3 into 28, which will be equal to 84. So I got a square, I got b square. So did I get the equation? Did I get the equation? Yes. The equation is x square by 28 plus y square by 84 is equal to 1. Is that right, my dear boys, my dear girls? Oh, hyperbola, right? So minus. Okay, guys, I wrote plus. It should be minus. I'm sorry. Yeah. So x square by a square minus y square by 3a square is equal to 1. Okay. So guys, it should be minus. I'm sorry because it's a hyperbola. It's a hyperbola. Okay. So 4, 6 satisfies this. Eccentricity I wrote correctly. Eccentricity I wrote correctly. E square is equal to 1 plus b square by a square. So that's what I got. 2 square is equal to 1 plus b square by a square. So I got 4 is equal to 1 plus b square by a square. And from here I got b square is equal to 3a square. So that's what I did here. Now 4, 6 satisfies it. So 16 by a square minus 36 by 3a square is equal to 1. So you'll get a square is equal to 4. Done. A square is equal to 4. Are you all cool with that? Yes. Everybody? Great. Guys is also gender neutral, man. Guys is gender neutral. I think so. So that's it. A square equal to 4. Now b square is what? B square is equal to 12. So that's it. We got the hyperbola. So it is x square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equal to 1. Now what is the tangent? Tangent will be xx1 by 4 plus yy minus yy1 by 12 is equal to 1. So this is the equation of tangent at any point on the hyperbola. So what is the point? 4, 6. So put that. You will get x into 4 by 4 minus y into 6 by 12 is equal to 1. So x minus y by 2 is equal to 1. So what is the answer? I think option D is correct. Is that right? How many of you got option D? Can you all let me know? Hello Prajesh, very good Sarath, fantastic. Thank you Beastly Cars, very good. Amresh, yes Amresh, did you get your admit card? I hope you guys have got your admit cards. Fantastic boys and girls. I hope you all enjoyed it. Good question, right? Good question, not bad. It was a very nice question. I hope you liked it. Now, next question that I have for you. This is a common tangent. That means what? It is tangent to a hyperbola. It is tangent to a circle. That means c square should be equal to a square m square minus b square for hyperbola. And c square should also be equal to, for circle it is r square into 1 plus m square. So m is what? We don't know. We don't know, right? We just want this condition. So what is a square? A square is 100. So 100 m square minus 64. This is how much? This is 36 r square. R square is 36. So 36 into 1 plus m square. Now both of this are c square, right? So both of this should be equal. So that means these two should be equal. If they are equal, what will I get? I will get 64 m square is equal to 100. Is that right? So I'll get m is equal to plus or minus 5 by 4. So that is the value of m. So put it back. You want c, right? So c you put it back. So c square is equal to 100 m square. M square is 25 by 16 minus 64. So that is the value of c. So 4 tables 25, 4. So it will be how much? C square is equal to 625 minus 256 by 4. So answer is option E. Check it out and tell me guys. Are you all able to get that? Ruchita, you are sleepy, Ruchita. M is equal to 5 by 4 guys, not 4 by 5. Come on. Are you sleeping? Everybody. Wake up guys. I've been teaching for 4 hours and I am not sleepy. You guys are sleepy, is it? Great. Ruchita, answer is option A. Because M, Ruchita, is 5 by 4, not 4 by 5. So this is wrong. Okay. So C square, I got the value. No, I got M is equal to 5 by 4. I put it here. So M is 5 by 4. So M square is 25 by 16. 100 into 25 by 16 minus 64. If you do that, simplify, you will get option A. Cool? Great. That's about it. So last one guys. Last one is the equation of normal. Please make a note of it. Very important. All the 3 formulas, especially the first one. See, if you know the first one, the second one is a piece of cake. So first one, what does it say? It says that if you have a hyperbola, let's say you have the point x1 comma y1, okay? So if you want to draw a normal here, I want to find the equation of it. How do you find the equation of that? That is what is done by this particular formula over here. A square x by x1 plus b square y by y1 is equal to a square plus b square. Are you all cool with it? Everybody cool with it? So that is the formula. Now what is x1? x1 is equal to a secant theta and y1 is equal to b tan theta. Is that right? So if you put x1 as a secant theta, you will get the second formula. Very simple. So first formula and second formula are very straightforward. There is no need to worry about it. Got it? Everybody cool with it? Guys, are you all comfortable now? Any doubt? Great. So let's move forward. The last part, the last question. Completed, guys. Everybody please do it. Parth, if you got 37, then you need to work hard, man. I would recommend you to check out the test series or the crash course. Okay, you can do it, but you need to work hard. Maybe take the help of crash course. They will teach you things so you will know things better. Okay, because only YouTube, I don't know whether you can improve. Okay, because you need to take test series path. Test series is what will help you go up higher. Okay, let's solve this question. So normal at this point. So normal at this point is what? A square x by x1. So let's draw it. So it is a square x by x1 plus b square y by y1 is equal to a square plus b square, right? So a square is what? A square is not known to us, and at 3, 3 we are drawing. So x1 is 3, y1 is 3. So a square x by x1, b square y by y1 is equal to a square plus b square. Are you all happy with it? Now this is the normal equation. It passes through 9, 0. So x is 9, y is 0. So I'll get 3a square is equal to a square plus b square. So I'll get 2a square is equal to b square. So I'll get 2 is equal to b square by a square. What is hyperbola eccentricity? It is equal to 1 plus b square by a square. So it is 1 plus 2. So it will be 1 plus 2. So e square is 1 plus 2. So e square is 3. So which option has 3? So it should be either A or it should be C. Are you all happy with it? It should be either A or it should be C. Now this is one relation, right? We got b square equal to 2a square. Now this point also lies on the hyperbola. So 3, 3 satisfies it. That means 9 by a square minus 9 by b square equal to 1. And we know that b square is 2a square. So 9 by a square minus 9 by 2a square is equal to 1. So I will get 9 by 2a square is equal to 1. So a square equal to 9 by 2. So option C is the answer. Got it? Did you all like it? Everybody, can you please let me know, boys and girls, are you all cool with it? Did you enjoy this question? Did you enjoy this session? Very good, Ruchita. Ruchita, did you tell it sleepily or did you solve it? Very good. So people, I hope you enjoyed it. So that's about it, I guess. So that was the last question. So now we'll have a chat. You can tell me whatever you want. So guys, did you all love the questions? I hope we have done it. Whatever I planned, I have solved it. I'm so happy. So I did for 3 hours, 45 minutes, right? Yeah, so 3 hours, 45 minutes, I think the lecture was. Not bad. With this bad throat and with the headache, it's good. 3 hours, 45 minutes is good enough. Hello, Beastly Cars. Vanda Vasu Lakshmi. Great. Preksha. Thank you so much, Preksha. Thank you, Aishwarya. So guys, admit cards are out. You know when is your date, when is your exam. Prepare accordingly. If your exam is in the afternoon, then prepare to write in the afternoon. Write mock test. So we have the crash course going on in Vedantu. We have live classes. We have assignments. So the results have also been fabulous, guys. Okay. So in case you're interested, check it out. Okay. So please check out the crash course if you really want improvement, because the crash course is valid till last attempt. Till August 2nd, August 3rd. Okay. What are 60 plus chapters? Okay, I'll tell you. Quadratic, sequence and series, matrices, determinants, statistics, mathematical reasoning, application of derivatives, and then limits, then definite integration, probability. These are the most important topics as far as maths is concerned. Thank you, Sharad. That is so kind of you. That is so encouraging, man. Tiffin, Talapadigiri, yes, I had it at 7 o'clock itself. I had some snacks. Okay. Wasim sir. No. If I make too much fun of him, he'll be upset. So guys, Mihir, thank you so much. Guys, I hope all of you had a fun time today. Yes, Usha, admit cards are released. So guys, go check out your admit cards. Like I told you, this crash course might be a blessing for those who are 60 percentile, 70 percentile, who are looking forward to improve. This might be a good thing. It includes the test series. And all of it will be available to you until advance. So you can use it if you want to repeat next year also. Got it? And finally, people, this is the test series. This I will recommend for people who are 95 percentile and above. So 95 percentile and above, test series is a better thing because you just need to work on your mistakes. You don't need anybody to teach you. So that way, test series is good. It is right now priced at 800. If you want to ask me something, message me on Instagram. So that is my personal Instagram account. You can message me, you can be my friend, you can get to know what I do apart from teaching. So guys, if you enjoyed the lecture, do give a subscribe and make sure you follow us regularly. Make sure you like the videos as well. Guys, tomorrow morning, Wasim Sir has a marathon. Please make sure you attend it. Wasim Sir's marathon will be for 5 hours. So I will show you how to access the crash course. So just come below the description. This is the description of the video. Just come below it. You have get JEE crash course, get test series. Click on whatever you want. Crash course means click on crash course. There are 2 batches. July 5th, 1 batch started. You will get all the recordings of classes. You can use it until the end of JEE Mains or up to JEE Advanced also. So just click on buy now. Automatically my coupon code will be applied. The price is just 4,000 rupees. Okay, my dear children. Got it? I hope all of you liked it. Make use of it and you will thank me later for that. Okay? So all the very best, guys. See you all. I love you guys. Work hard. I wish you will achieve whatever you dream of. Okay? All the best to Catalysis students as well. Catalysis boys and girls. If you're watching it, all the best. I hope you will do well in your life. And let me know if you need anything from my side. I will try to do it. Okay? Great. So take care, guys. Bye-bye. Tamil, one sentence. Ella nalla padinga. Take rest. Nalek papu. Okay? Bye-bye. Take care, guys. See you.